Anyway, Sabria was so good so wuti enyumo yi. Wa uni bi erade onya wa danfo. Wa yare bi etete wo. Erade onya o yare safo. Wa wato amane bi mu. Erade onyi mfiri mu. Wa wanya asem onya o kamafo. Onka wa asem ne ma na otwitwanje o. Ewo Yesu dimo. Wa wato baha. Wapa ba na ora ho ewa brabo yi mu. Onye ore chichifo. Na onfa enije enhye wakoma mu. Wa dadwin bi ebu kon. Erade onyi sa odadwin no emfiri wo so. Dia kofa sa adwendwen ne koda na beto so no. Erade nso e onyi umfiri mu. Onka ho na ondomo na omwa wo. Oma wundi yie. Na oma wani nye. Ewa asetena yi mu. Baby a obi aka se amen. No miensa abapon sima aduonu 24 after 3. Our Ghana's #1 radio station, Adom 106.3 FM. Na de bi monti ase no. Ena na no adama ne kan no. O se wa fa mfiri osoro amawa. Obechimwa. Amafo betwa wan ho a. Akoma. Atientiemu a. But eye kakra bi se adom no mu a. Yes. When the fever is there, when the grace is working, eye kakra bi. Na asset it. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. And if you don't know, and you don't know. Your friend Jerry Justice. MDG semen we share. Free Sabri copy me sebe boy ni news ya. E wo fie Kwanso radio so. Jumadi enyamedi o e wow there. Yes, it's your own show. Na and na Wednesday we could the day radiase. She week yasina sisi ya do midweek. Nah, and that one fantastic musician. In fact, I like Nenyum Pauza and Nenyum no de banina exceptional ones pa. And now on my air wabruchino, I am now omonum no. Ewamote, baby, omoya I am in time for. Oh, it is a washer. Musicians there wabruchi crano. It do say be produce album and now person releases. I now went to Bana. Oma beki kabumu ya ne fa fi obedu abruchi on na fa on so na yesa wo tene hono na ubogumu ha na fa na fa ha oboa obebre pa ba man we de oh so wo ye ni na je say wo de na musa. I am talking about Nana Yeboah and the mention ho studio wa baga na ide so timi ba fie na wo chiachi abusuafo kakra ne ade ne bonko mo ne check what's up ba me ma re free say videos of our time and I'm quite so by nchi bia me borrow mu on Facebook no so na roll call no me dia hihye so na ya hwe who is here with us na fe we are the videos of our time na hihye so right after that ye be hwe asem a ye di tuonfo ne awia yi Monday no me ne mo hye nkomo bia asem a me ka kire mo say enne nyame ya adom e be toa so na ochina ye bunikom se de obudum bi be kan no epom sa kwa ro hadwo short man news wa ko ani enne kan mo we ni ewu ni go ebom na oboja no kra de ni ja obeka se de okunkun no oboja hey what do you mean the bida Once again, good afternoon and welcome to your own show, Ofie Kwanso on Adom 106.3 FM. Shouts to Papa Bills and our face so Jamestown Jiko. Oh, boy, you must run away, baby. For trying to ask a karate, Jamestown Jiko. Now, so a person, Father down what it. Then remember referee. So my use to Iowa Dini now what it. The BBA bear fine. Yes, oh, Benana bear Rasta Sana, yes, I know. Let's go now. Hey. Stop. Doctors what? Hey. I come up one way, I'm about 6 p.m. I tell you. Hey, a real move. Let's get on Facebook and do the roll call now.
See
corner. And you know, I'm too much. In Shaba Kosia Amanda, I see you. Yep. Thank you too. From Asteria Dacha Hene. I'm out for no. Yes, I'll cap enough messages. Because Abigail Anum. I say good afternoon, Jerry. Hope. Obapa Efia. I see you. Sandra say I see you. Yeah. I said the movie ma. I didn't hide you. Can you? I am Pacho Baby. I will be also join me on Facebook. Now and videos of our time. Yam Fashisha says here. Nah. Yenshene kakrana yewia yemfa de aka no entwaso. It's all here on Adom 106.3 FM, but don't forget to get yourself Flora disposable handkerchief. Papa. Yes, better than the usual cloth handkerchief. It's say we know opepa we ya na what to actually. Now what why you need come apart. No bon so nyedin. It fits into your purse, your pocket or your bag easily because you are on a crocra come apart. A dozen so. You know what I'm saying? Tibomodian PBH Chakwa Produ and Delta Paper Mill Limited. Na wait me and Eddie and Ekitam Pacho number no 0243 033 033. Now ne Delta Paper Mill for Dinkoma Alpha Flora disposable handkerchief at home. About your dominion about powder. And also what no wait me build a strong immune system. I bring now wait me your thing. And now my rare and born to answer. I brow bit me no dominion about powder. Now immune system no why then one fight against every disease be a sign boy and normalize it of blood pressure. I feel heart or kidney related problems. So no if you stroke, diabetes, ni ne pam no. What you bring your spine mutimi two say ya dominion about powder a bit do a kitchen moon. Are available? Tony K Pharmacy whom Okosumenya Nagiza Pharmacy na phase Neda Pharmacy Benya Bio Agunas Radio Fonko Nyameti as a heba and a fee Akutia Health is Wealth Okoha Benya Bio Kede Fonko Harry Pearl Pharmacy and yes I should share Angel Dominion Bar Center Chakwan and Coco Enomo from 0543 158 195 and 020 429 6449 Dominion about powder your number one immune booster. Afeti the Obasima seal a special sealer and a AGI and a Ghana Standards Authority akabum introduce you. Now a very good bar. Nedjuma nyina say ye the Obasima seal no bulk food products being on market now kota. A chest food products no. 18 essential vitamins and minerals. Ye here the mount pum de honsem itimi ejina banana pa. So always make it a point to purchase goods and now say food product. Yeah, I wore a year of Basima seal no. Is I say it is good for everyone, especially our dear women. Choose Obasima, stay healthy, stay strong. Now, Yabakoyanim. Now and the videos of our time, yeah, they are just so. Joining me on Facebook this year, baby, I will be by kind courtesy, Infinix Hot 10T or Madama and Omukremu. Ama yeah, the videos of our time, bro. You need to see this video. Now, and we are talking about Galamsey. Yeah, mouthful tuna etimi ede or how bibri ebre or mine. And we have some videos bia and no videos me ensa. Asa videos me ensa no. Mi be ya cho. Unim say Galamsey asem ya kuntia. Except those people who go in for it. And then those who live in communities are hold on now. To go near from a good day on. No na shed the new idea, but obi on my baby or teno. On call Galamsey site and go that you might be on call field be sad. Whom said they are doing any suit here. It is very dangerous. I will show you a video that any power our quest to the inema brofuna me penima and I mean who said the main can with him or let me simply put, the love for money. The love for money. Nipa epe. Oh, serious. Say nipa da sani nim say ade ya woko ye. Ebetimi akuno. Yet because of sika any brenti or say no by force ameko. And they see people almost sure on a daily basis. Right there and there, they see that their friends died. Yet, it is serious. The love for money. If I join me on Facebook, I am taking you to a typical gold mining field, and I say galamsey baby a form of good day. Now we share any pay go in search of gold. And he said, "You want to do and then so turn Adom assassin gum. A chance, yes, a dream, but they saw it, but the woman baby a book across no mugusu. Woman baby a book across I from money bomb also, and a jeep bungam. And it killed most of them. Yet I did no more Sakubim. I will show you that video. The second one, out of sa assassinate KV in Omode Daho Nipan Seshe. And then I'll show you a third video. Omu tusa from a good day ya galamse ye we say in. You see, it is not only our rivers ne streams near the adena almost say no. But almost say assassinate me go could do a certain level ma. Even borehole krana ya na anka komia borehole no mia kuche ne nsuo ne ba no bo je nsuo efi borehole mu ba no eno so poto eno so asai enti borehole sesenka a serve community no emom timi nya nsuo papa enom no eno so nkrofo na kodan wa ya de na ma say affect ba bia enti ubu nsuo ne ba e chance wa chokomilo. It is serious. We are killing ourselves. And it's about time say nedi anu tumbi na ye kan ye kutia sadi mpacho boru mu on Facebook sesia na ehwe video no. The first one no e omo e website wa omugusu tutu ade no omugusu tutu a isa se omo tutu amasas na e week na ensuo akota ho nti no won se amasas na e week eti omo ye na adwiriba kakrakra but omo nim se ade ne enwiri mom enti adwiriba no so akọgbachi kakra still no tutu gold no sikai ya o sikai afi omo de sa omo ani ba omo so na ade dwira na fe we for benkume for nifa obo awa late na adwiregu won so. And then the second video will also roll, and then you see after a year I you know omo egu omo so a omo ahwere omo nkwa dead and gone. And then the last video now may show 3. The last one you will see the effect of sa galamsey illegal de yomuye asay ensuo ama even enye se ensu tene a omo ahono poto asay no bo ho kra yatu no ukogina na yen kwetwetwetwe na ensuo na ba say poto. It is serious, and it's about time say nyina ye kabom as a country na ye fight against sadi we and yes sadi a kotobi kuma pa e patro for video no tum na yenhwe say de esi etie. All right, so uguso a wo hwe video no ma men kafo Infinix Hot 10T amount for cry from the Infinix family yeah omo e dia bebum na no phone no guy heavy pa and the customer say na okotobia e patro hwe video no edwagu hwe ana asasina hyase a kakra o on say the form I na nsuo tie ho no so it sad ni dwiba no mo akomo chika kakra still no mo gusu tutu afi na de ni bufu ye na jigum hwe afi de hwe we dwane we hu se me fa benku se me fa ni fo hwe e na twe mu nyina akono look at that enti afi ebinim anya ba bi gina ye ne de omo aye safe and omo hu se omo nuanom na ade edi omo koyire and they can't go in there and help them because also kwa be ubi ade na dwiagum. This is serious. Yet essence ka ye penti What if video no start I share omo tutu ntokro no de wura mu saa anti na omo yisi kana enti ama ahoni na ye week what if hwade no akwa ba ho opese go swimi epie fi ade no ba so amfa wakamu aloko this is it. And the second video no beba ube hu enipa na awu o mo de da ho after ade no edwigu mu sei no Charlie adwen abusia adwen wo mu se sika de sika ye nanso we de nka fa nyina ayi o just unya because wo koye yi na sika wo pe afi wu just watch it more access to Facebook no patcho bra Facebook on be hwa de no and the gusu a ewigu no just come there and look at it yourself yeah oh no this is very dangerous and an American we are you say a cherry drope oh no more saying buesim the love for money second video na you show no hwe nipa awu egu and no mubuto omo amusu no hwe and ebi no asoso mu sisi no mu gina no omo hwe omo nua no omo awi and niam omo de ko too good no omo de ko pesika na ne gugu no hwe nipa man gugu from hwe look at this nipa man gugu oyo nipa ma ene gugu hwe boy ba ko dem say jama on dey utim say ni nua na dan nche pen wasu an obi abeso mu say wasu kakra wonya hwe enso still ogene ho anye na sunu mu enipa na gugu omo awu nya so omo prepare they are all dead and om gu ono after sasas ne kv no omo nyina awu onom gu ono wo de wo ahwe bi after this video the third one na me yi a kire ono yes ade a yatutu ene nsuo na ase no we de enye se eye nsutene se river ene omo ase no bo ankasa yatu anu yetuku asase ne yam na nsuo na opompia na nsuo na ba no omo atu ade na kwa amasese no nsuo mpo efi asase ne mu ba no so no effect ni bia kwa koduru so amanti u bubo ho ni bi kra na nsuo na eba no eno so ase ti yebeto aso ase ye pesikanti ya yese ya one yes asase no ebe kakra eno bai bia ni wonu akodua ebetimi ayeye na yenye aduane adidi afiri mu esase yase asase no two esuansu ahodo nyina so asese no na de dangerous wo mkra say borehole kra etuhwe abusuan asem America ne de hwe hwensu efi borehole mu eba look at this hwensu efi borehole mu eba hwe esuo no poto wo de ye hwe kra enye look at the water eba efi borehole ayi eti we enipa etisa community ni mu living on this water in so no no ekwan be no be fa so survive if onana bia na ofa bite community we mu a na hwede ensuo ya yi enti obey den obe top pure water and now they finka ha and now they are command say wonom how long would you be able to can you do this continuously obey den because ensuo can't you think of it how are you going to drink this water we would ikosi jaso anu amu a said there cry but so we are say there forget you do look at this mama ekono enye nyina yeko na nye sa pa dia awusu abeden because the rate at which amafo bi mo aye wade o monti so odogo bia enu abe no e hadwen yeso kakra betimi aye atwe amafo adwen asisu no it's in a shows our video videos of our time for us to know how dangerous this thing is. Hardring. Yeah, fast dama Infinix Hot 10T. For Fabe boom said them kind of two anymore. Phone on air come pa. It was 6.82 HD plus big video gaming display. Just say no. Yeah, mano, a 5,000 mAh battery capacity. Na Yamano CPU special one no G70 CPU na no eboama obo games was so near there very fast pa na ultimate say need the correct heavy pa etwetwa sisi ne ade na opi ato a me pachoti the new Infinix Hot 10T 4 gig RAM plus 64 gig ROM and only a ton 788 Ghana cedis. And now the new Infinix Hot 10T 4 gig RAM plus 124 gig ROM and also your ton 888 Ghana cedis. And you can say Okotobia watch a dia or get account free gift say crossbody bag obeji the account sports bottle obeji the account max any a chedia opina any a data the amount and they Infinix for saying can't say expect more from them yeah just say Infinix Hot series yeah can was me and my puppy na nam kwaso ba ni na no wadama ye debre won ti betimi akọ any accredited Infinix shop na wakwa akọje de o man afana baby Infinix the future is now emuye ya wie ni say you know behwe asemo e de etu hon photo na ewie ni sapa badi kan catch us say nana ye boa e wa ha ye ne nana ye boa e be din komo and never best try in Kuade. Oh, fantastic man. Any bidding como na yaji 102 one in China fe area to so and you might be brief ya by a benny na and try copy says 6 bebon there. Na yashishini na near Jugu come on because there any muses and say na Monday me no shen komobi ase. And I'm here saying a to us. Nanya me Adom ochna. Ye dia baby. TNT asemo na edit you for quickly near to us. So Monday no enkomo ye di ye no na ho ebehia se na ye to aso na ochina ye de bawie na ye nkaka ho kakra the course on Monday na fi ye to aso for today. Monday they no say there are always two main sides to every story in this life. So if you aren't willing to listen to both sides, don't be quick to make your judgment on what you've heard. Say asembia no ye wona famienu etiemu ba ko a wate no se won ye wadwen so betie afa ba ko na aka na ka ho de a aya men pepere ho na eyi atensa e wa bra wunya hu de tuemu kosi ase eno ne ye hwe no Monday no ene ne nto aso aye de ba no eni o say never condemn someone based on what somebody tells you or what you hear, because there's always a lot more to the story than what's told. Iti ampawati asem waka kire de, but ono na from de no waka kire wo. Me engineer no so na emfa embu obi aten. Emfa enkondem obi. Say one day sa no tade wanyade no part not in the life there fine boys no we there no and no wa condemn onipa na wie meanwhile onte afa ba ko na aka no so yenye very careful sade no we all at fault because the person is your friend now about be cancel natural 90 no what you are down from the intent no one na the business now they make you judgment we but bia na wote the other side dey no so anka be say wa down for no mum na anyi ni na anka wo futu bia wo de amo no mum tia ye nto e boas kakra until say be hu asem ni nyina no ma ye pepre ho and pass judgment nyame ya Adom ochna ye the final one beba na che say ya kele no awie kra ye mfa so aseda e ma ye proud sponsors na ye nto aso enko ye nim DBS Industries Limited. DBS Industries Limited. And they DBS Industries akwakofa losing trusses ediaba. Na pretty simple. Ya che say unya bia eno no etimi boa onfa enua emo dan no so ansa na the chance ya boso. We need the nade ya yetwitwa ntiantia kama emu so ha. Itiamfa weight ne pressure emi gina odan no so. Na we no warranty wo ho no over 100 years because we na che na pratete na just enye hwe usu abrobro utim di utim ne bon so nye den tie kanfo de ama bibia. DBS are losing trusses PBH akwan for crew dan so we are o the chance papa bia boso we bibia be fine dan is you na kan so na ba betrem unya problem e wo roof you know Bomade are echi akwan we on the spectator road fie so enche bia no du papa restaurant na yentwa free estimate obefra 0240 844 444 mo amokuma asenso phrase 0506004141 takrade phone phrase 0506004242 now on the DBS Industries edinkita hon afi problem uboremu hon mo ene dia bepiem door master and Puma Paint Depot na omanfo free achichi bebre na omuna yepa de money chim Puma adan a eho enene ukopia door master and Puma Paint Depot omau enipa ayebo no so da form yen prices no dey would compare baby out him say ye dey dash from krokra. Yes, Brana enjoy 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German and Italian technology. Over 100 designs and colors to choose from. Doors no you more so to be exterior steel security doors, internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armored doors, bathroom doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, glass doors, flash doors. In fact, any kind of door be available away as well. Oba painter from one yen Euro standard news paint you will more acrylic, emulsion, enamel, road marking paint, marine coatings, waterproofing, dampproofing, wallpaper, wall primers, putty, any paint accessories are hold on in and they the shares from Kwamba yene news paint na kabum. Ya your friend paint now, pay later. Nina say schools, churches, hospitals, offices, government institutions, individuals, real estate developers near dinner. Mumra, paint be a muhia bia, nine for mam. Mofanko paint more than hold on. Nine spread this kind of mam, namun treat and a crack of pimps on betray you are bra. Young fat interest be a and to show mamu. Obehu door master and put my paint the poetry crime. A crack Kumasi highway is wa. Put my tour booth a one. If I say, would you tour booth more? Hona ujina when you try shop no mu obeti me afre 0542 745 222 afre 050 021 2447 na yedi enkomo kama pa now aside di ono yede be ma MTN say nei wamamu ayede de amount free after one asamba kasa mo amope kasa tintin ni nchemu yi kanina nkomo na obusuan mu munini na we are just pay for only the first minute of your call. The rest is absolutely free. In addition, enjoy a 50 MB of data at their browser free. When it is anshi who ampacho you phone sisi anabo star 550 hash na was subscribe to MTN free after one, then you stay connected because we are good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN, everywhere you go. Yada omase sa darama omoso ya sene ema yitimi eti asem we di tu ye hofo. E wo Ofie Kwanso edi so Adom 106.3 FM. This is Nana Yabwa.
Sepine suwa, kabum se ma prepare. Sepine suwa, kabum se mi kwa jini o. Nye mamu ye dumba. Yeha nye bune hawo. Abuswe bifre mwenye muna ufre. Okawe na miso ebi na wonso. Ekabieda miso ebi na wonso. Sister, c'est be down soir. Kabum se ma prepare. C'est be down soir. Kam kanche mi se minya meso. Yana mimi radia ya mami. Yana mimi Yesu ya mami. Obiana ni dawo. Obiana na jinjio. Obia busio misami yasunko. Senyenya miaka meyene. Yesu anjimia kamefahimi. Yesu yamia mama minsu. Yesu Kristo mama minsu. Papa. Senye Dr. Jesus yankasabre mayosa. Oya repon. Amanie pia tutumi. Sanyo haweba misui. Senye lo ya Jesus yankamidefia sine. It is some yes, mama, miss some kaka. Adia waya mamia, a promadiso. Dear one, we hold on a so. Bidia, what is some? Bidia, you must some. It is what you show bow. It is what can be a dinosaur.
A caddy,
Be how we say, obey giant from no be so dear, say, obey giant sorry. Be so dear, say, obey giant masturbation. That's why, yeah, bring out to me, now say, yes, I see nothing. We'll see one day, I'm so far. Oh, that is say,
Wow. Nana your boy.
Brajel.
Akwa. Na enumi ni tatra gaza.
Minjai nyamesum. Mesum Jesus.
Kan wa ba kwasam kakra che e ba say.
Enu we enu a metiwom live na mehwe YouTube ne ekoso ogana o say wa manone wa yekrom wa ne yekrom na na yehwe ne ekoso a na o hwe nsem wa ekoso ne obia ne the way struggle be faso obenya aduanu padi a sometimes to ana ebi ya ahweho ne bisu san e fa ne won obia ne hawo no ne buta nyina ne se sisi e ka se yebisa mememe hawa me how American be different yebisa brager nso a odi a be kan different
sure
eti yamhwe ne se obi wa ne hawo nyina ne se kom na di no ne hawo no me ba 3 series
ebetimi
asolve the problem and obi so hawo no akwaji bank bosia bi a
yes sano sa
so a millions so untimi ntua eti obi a wone hawo a edan so abrabom a o fight say e be free ni so
obi a dey different
sa niam ye wadom na sa o hawo no oyi free so a enso ma refi no na odi na sidama na som no enum no afa pim nyina enu obi a wone hawo niam ye wu hawo free so a enya na sida
yo
na som no
na we dey ye misa what any nana ye boa
okay nana ye boa ye 50-50 me fire bono bi na me fire Western na me papa no musician me papa ebo percussion eti mi start nyum ho adwuma na me 10 years
wow
papa bi e friend na breach ba kofisa me na oba ye kurom o me free border town pa me kurom wa kurasi ni bi papa ana mi sun se medinachi na mi so papa no so ya ade a meye na no ye no ka say okay mefa na me do abetena me nchen eti me betena nchen okufurudua
eti woni abreche ba kofisa metena ye
me patcho
okufurudua
na me 10 years
wow
enti ho na music ni start eti ye makwan a holidays no na me call trek me no mo trek e bi school a na ma be start school eti anu na me start here concert.
Oh, okay.
On said that time no mo ye drama no
ajanka ni e concert ansana
enti me ye bi asua anum to a anu na metena leader no assistant leader no che no bo guitar ti won so misua guitar bo. Okay. Ono so kire me ma me komani mi ye guitar mu. Ti achi abrabo de on se ye boko ye nim. Me fi Robert na nkran. Eti ye be bo dance band on nkran. Ti na se menya concert band mu experience. Ena menya dance band mu experience. Ye bo dance band bi ti ye na ye ti UB2 those days. Wow. Dance band ti me ne Kwasipi kura bo banda. Kwasipi ni papa eje kunyina ni ebo eje ku dance band committee 5. Wow. Eti mo ya announcement mo ya ponche clinic ya mi wow. Ya bobo ya na misi Afro Moses and now who said the way I'm born. Hey, Afro Moses. A good man. Afro Moses in nam no so a me copy Australia. Sir, me above gigs or New Zealand, Japan. You free one na you buy Europe. Eti kwan fast wa me music e buy mo no. Wow. Wow. And you see I for now busy. Sisi ya nyamia dumbi wa Germany Hamburg. Germany ne nimpatem. Yeah. Enti after playing with Afro Moses mututu kwa kro we asonia bebre ni ade na you know. Adena mo twaso na fede say moja na obi ani dey. Oza Afro Moses afi ono kotena Australia. Na Denmark but afi otu kotena Australia ntino. Unu say Australia nso ni Europe mu wa pa. Ya ntimi enna amom biem bara Germany hono so me o group a me no mbo no German group a yebo ana me san o Jamaica fo a ombo gospel group ana me san o Ghana nso group a yes sambo it not just enyom no de actively o yen power ho pa enyom de part of my life the music de me mfa ni agro eno ni adwuma me ya ankasa enti aside e bia wa onyom se de ebo ya wa ye no wo ne band no mo bo etoto amanfo onyom kokko bo shows ye bo shows na covid dey ene baye wanye ni ntimi mo shoda wanye ni o jajarezo de what to come Germany de oguru nwa ma yes ntimi mo show bia easy aje v concert ya na no ana adana yes momu mi shop ne adena kofo de ne my bre mi mama let na jo koye ina ga fi jo ko trawa obi so ba so person edit ko ye ko fase mo ba kofo hey je fase wasam na nye easy sa ni ma ye bi shop mpo eni ma no gisa o fresh shop wona o ye appointment. Wow. How dream pa. Wow. Okay. Enti anu mu na atese ogusu a ukrokra mu a. Enti yamfa ne say aside say mo bo bandi mo woni Jamaica fo ibo woni omo aye German fo ibo na I saw Ghana de enso anu so mo bo enyina no omu ana wa so aye onwom e de abefam because eno na dem akoma so a nyame de atoma akoma se me so me mfa mo na adwuma me fam promote in the kingdom tino eno de mintimi nya mfa nto na hono et sense ekoba se wo ye nwom sei na ya na response net sen wo ho first ne de na ka ye ya se do ye me de se mu se nwom doso ye nwom no a mo amobọ ni sei no eko no en de promote nwom no by hono na header nya baby potia ye be ye advert yama for kan say verbal na nkrofo ati nwom no any TV so me hu na che say wo de hono compare ha na hono verbal ni low eti me fan social media ya so na ne edi na wa na wo a wo de akonsori wo to a na je say series na ne na eboa adwuma no ba covid ba ye no so aloko ye no so enti bibia jiegu eti se oye nwom na wo de titi wo social media nko a enu ba bi a e se edu ye pese nwom no so na biba ye so ye krom because ye den Ghana ni free na ekomia mia Ghana fo enti wo ye nwom na wa modern se wo de bibi ba ti se radio kese ti se Adom FM na papa Jerry am bon nwom mangrofo anti a na se enumuno ene na muria nko bia sana na humanity
ba anyu mom de Ghana fo aja tumpa mom
nyame adom eno
anyway there
ana me da Reverend Oscar dozu nyumuno wa adom FM
Councilor Oscar Sweep opanyu papa Councilor fanu nyu ni agrogra papa na ye boa no na sa nyumuno e ho na boy na e chest no so aya mon kan chance nyum na good na manage nyum no open agro it's a very nice song. Okay, yan hwe we nso na fe yan twa nkomo no so
Majuma say, Belly Yamia, if I was a sick and bottom, Belly Yamia, Washam is so my dear Chimia, Saye, or the mere copy of Senasio, Honamina, sorry, Nina, if I but be I was set, who bet to me, Siona Pompaya, Bosuya, Maya, with you. Usuina ya baby ashebiina nyami saye na nyami saye odufo saye odufo nyami fonsena sio hallelujah bede nyami asio hallelujah bede nyami asio bona mina sorry me nyami ayo hallelujah asio me nyami ayo chikwa utiasie dana sinda Ukonde papa wadina Ehalibiyo mnanka seunina Yasi nina sore menina miayo Pampanana I will praise the Lord. Every circumstance is supposed to praise the Lord. In good times or bad times, I will praise Jehovah and glorify His name. Yes. It doesn't matter today, things are passing. Yes. It doesn't matter today, things are not good for me. But one thing I know for sure. Romans chapter 8 verses 28.
I was saying.
We know that. All things work together for good.
Yes.
For those. Yes. So stop complaining and praise His name. Yeah, fancy tamoyami. You go by the latest praise the Lord. If you have a good time, praise the Lord. If you have the money, I will praise the Lord. If you have cars, I have cars, the Lord. If I don't have cars, I will praise the Lord. Yes, sir. Hana gonna jagu. Yeah. The butani diagro. Hey.
Baba nim say onyum ni na bounce I say ukra different level bi sa na ade.
Because
what sheda na?
Ma sheda. Onse me ana me person nyum start here na ne ehun Ghana gospel ni. One Nigeria guy bi catch him so Ghana gospel there start here na ehun say horse be bo. Amami unse dabi antini sa onse dabi enti mi unse me die no. I say me dey fa baby kakra
na esa chae kakra bam
o je say ni gospel ye me de pa utie ni gospel na ensuti ti say the way gospel ye ko me de no for baby kakra na me pese me gospel.
Okay, now let's look at production. Studio ben na for engineer ben na enyo no aduma
enyo no de me am o studio ben studio ti ho na ya me enyo no
na ye boa
ni bo boa me kakra me am wadamfo we friend Johnny Johnny ono so studio bar ni mani bi obo piano ana me bo guitar anti ni mani bi wa me hia o piano sana me friend no
aba be boashi mu ama
me and sometimes no me wie no bi ya me de esene ebresha
wo Ghana
ha mo otie mu say oh okay adwuma na o ye no eye kama enti ya no so no eboa me na asana me de enwum na ba.
Wow. Enti so far enwum do ben sa na ho
me di kan ye gospel album be mienu na ntimi
amon remu ha
nkai am ye di nam si dabi
ese kwa bia so
ene ma ngusa kwa ese kwa bia me di be wuremu ha nti we na efu album ba ma start yin single
okay is they say latest one out there bano eno ye de yen
eno ye yawo ayiko
yawo eno so no wo de asem na wo kan o sa nwum num
Brajeri COVID ni bae no.
Yes.
Na nye easy o Europe.
At all.
Se na mse mu nyina mote na mukra mukra. Che se wo hwe ne ekoso na de we nipa wu na Ghanaians fi se e agro no mu di wo ho no. Edu abi kra boye nyina hu. But nyame ane esum ni nti se nyame ena de etu kwanti ye bibi century because che se wo fa bia na aye hu adwuma nso ya ne abrafo ya na ye adwuma do abifo na na esi o enkunya ni ade ne ameso ya Adom no kura bifo amu ti se abrafo no ti ye hwe sa o hawo na ba ye nwuma sen ye nkrofo nwuma sen na awe obra se obi wo a onkura krata adwuma o ye nso agu onkura krata nso no onye bi mfi abra aban ho ti afeto ye na ewura 2021 mu no enam se yawe ayiko wa ya ade se e deso ti ase because ye my Ghana yare etisi ya pa nkenko ye nso awurade abobusua nyina ho ban ahwe Ghana fo ne Africa ho ban a na je say yawe ayiko
all right
titwa me de twere nwum no
ene ye ntie yawe ayiko
esa fasenya mi monyam sawuri yuto suri fasenya mi monyam basantumo gitamo akasamo machini mom fasenya mi monyam Timi frima kuma munina Niemi kanise Pape waye nina Nyewa nini ya bedrunie Ebini zoni dawasyo Tiye frima kuma munina Yeye kanise Eja waye nina Aprukusu nyani Wawusuni Malajika shock matanfu Mwa titiegu Tu semi komani Akomi shirama Yesu na yenina Matafi umi waferi Matafi umi watite Sane nyami ya nadi Opante bisyo oswa brefwe Yehova ye wasu yami Pape wa yenina Eki uma ya kache nyami se Aiko
guitar no wow bo guitar tite bia so bo bi shem awmanzi ade
yes
I will thank Almighty God. Come to me among the living. If there's never a single God, His promises never fails. Dear one woman upon come, dear so man I no so woman Siritia, Baba, and your mumma, your way is a man, mumma, you done, say, why any you are a mighty God, our protector. What's up on it for you, manina? Now we are some question, I see Jehovah, why any Aiko Jesus Christ, the kind of love you have showed to me. Yes, so why you need me who near me campo? You're rather than your bedroom, if you know say me that was you. Tinye free makuma munira, near me can say, Papa, why you need Aprukusunyame, what was soon in one electric shock matampo, Mamma Titian, Timusa me comani, I call me Shira, yes, soon I need. You can change me, you can change yourself. You can change me, say, Jehovah, why you need that?
Wow. Ayuko.
No.
Yes, right now.
The Bob Rofuna Kutia.
So,
COVID in the buy. Now they thought, say, Africa's the any able to say more. It's not me can say a Purkusunyame. While Wilson, one man electric shock we are town. We not to tell you. You don't know what you say. Africa's the COVID in the book. That's when you put one man massage. I feel not to shock.
Nice one. In fact, the messages I'm receiving, who's there? Oh, I'm out for any journey. No,
that's it.
Maybe so. Last question now. Yes, you won't be a person down as an actual one watch your America. My last question. After all the experience I would from a Brecheba Kofi Same and then only Kwesipi Papa Kra and so I be bought pen and then with Afromosis only Omonantes Uncle for and Crofwa Omon yet gospel.
Yeah.
So much me all right there, but you some way secular musicians. It's about saying now in particular there. After working with all these artists, even I would decide to say gospel now, but on yet secular.
Okay, me that's it. Question where they have what be some Nani Etienne say, me ya no more. First, you mammy, am the coach producer. Producer, no, Ephraim say, bra. Bese me no can see me more boom and I'm saying I say I don't know your gospel. Go need sweetie for gospel. Didi can no. And Nana Machi Didi. The year sister Mary San near friend. Yakobo ban on the spot, I branches for this time. The 31st near Becky and I yet to gospel. 31st year new year. Tia two gospel new year, me and I met to Yasapon, no one basso that time, Mena Milidi. The no friend was Aquame. When any gospel yet the part to gospel to a kind of mystery, and I'm just Sister Mary Mati. And any late Dr. Pablo Bonso or before you be to me echo back in. The started program, no, your bo gospel, Namina Milidi, Mine get back what here. If you ain't no bam, it's Kwame. When any gospel yet the party to gospel. And I'm say, doctors are not saying, I say, I didn't know. And I'm my brother, my cousin, your sofa. Or catch him say, what you muti number to gospel to turn in them. No, baby, and I'm busy. Oh, okay. Me, yeah, menu last one that time, me fast a mini or by Germany, Timani bear rap, Naj, Manu, but a come say. Many view.
I'm all for stories. Anyways, Nana, boy, I know what's in our mouth. Sima Pena, Obi, our person, done as we show appreciation behind our stories.
Yo, me that say, did he come without Chedian Punyanko Kwasi, Yesu Christo, why am I doom ye? And Yamin Quantum minimum, 20 Yamin Quantum minimum guitar, but or didn't fever be to me so. Emma from Moses, a time made me coy. Timid Yanko Ponsi. Meda from Moses, baby will be assy, and I made out here back is in Swasi. I break you back with Visame. Papa woke for dear, Meda was it, so whom in about 10 years now farming. Meda, my master yellow boy and saw Chim guitar no assy. And I made that Papa Brace in Swasi. Papa Brace, you tear me. What a brad jelly. Why are dear no money, dear boy? Yamin Samu be brave. Madame Eden Swasi, Cynthia Usu, because one of Papa also me move. I do not see any producers now. We don't film. And ye, Timidana Siba will be our Hamburg. And I may cost that Adofua IT, Adom FM, or Moshe Facebook, Nina. I don't FM the Bruchedi and Maju, maybe my Jawabo Sokora, Timidubiasi. All right. And I'm Pacho, Meko social media, and I'm in hand. Oh, sure. Never chose social media, no YouTube here. Nana Yeboa Bensi because Mpacho Nana Yeboa na winya ba kuna na no ya. It's media no Bensi kan Bensi ni e Ben and a CEC.
Okay, so BENCEE.
And Nana Yeboa Bensi. And I'm search nyumo.
Okay.
How our music you nipa brabo. Jene music ni so
yeah.
Enti o tam ye de bon bia. Obi o sorry ya no don num na odi asisu anopa. Yenye ne sa meti okọ ma ye bebregu a
all the church enkrofo ni na available on YouTube. Okay. Is there bot na ye bo a Bensia.
Ebe yi ni nyina ba.
Okay.
Na wo
am for mo nko why. Mo am pen nwum ni bi no ne ade ni na no. Just get on to YouTube Nana ye bo a Bensi. Bensi no is BENCEE. Bensi. Na ubenya ni bibia ne the works ni nyina yeah ubenya the works ni na
na Instagram so Bernard Nana Yeboa na Facebook nso sa
okay
Bernard Nana Yeboa
all right
intimacy adofo so omunko na subscribe
okay
madam asibebre
Nana yanso yeda asepa nyame insha abusia enche bia no say Scottet na se na around the world in 5 minutes at trust them but before we do that Mama Cow says say the first fortified rice Alande ewo Ghana heavy pa ya cheso bia edi mu adanse na we no ye the nutrients how do ashim iron zinc vitamin B3 B6 B9 as well as B12 na each and I say every serving bia of Royal Aroma fortified rice bia no at least 15% of your daily requirement of these nutrients yeah no bet me abo ye pa ntimpacho say ye mo na bedi nko ade a make sure say ebeye Royal Aroma fortified rice.
Music man, international. My brethren, I love it and I love it, man. International. The span of my life is not above it, man. International.
Adom FM 106.3. Feeling it.
Rastafari. All right, so it's a Wednesday vibe, you know what I mean? Faka crane trim na free yeah. Yan candy a canning room. By we are Royal drinks need a PBH Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, and a Royal Cocktail. We're on the perfect flavors now we here. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy Royal drinks in so many flavors. They are available in a shop near you at just 2 cities 50 pesos. We are another quality product Ifikasa Precon Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Open the door 0262 351 251 and 0272 133 373. Royal drinks. You go like them. You go like them. I tell you. Now, my ref, he said, "Nay, bet me I save you a lot of money. How are your calls? Oh, your home. It's answer MTN Eddie free after 1 hour. It's in patcho. Make that call. Kasasa metintin bia opebia and pay for only the first minute of your call. It's answer the rest is absolutely free. Obesa enjoy 15 megabytes of data. Now the answer browser free. When you just dial *550# to subscribe to MTN free after 1 hour and stay connected because we're good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN everywhere you go. International herb.
School children, they love it and they love it.
School children there to was it.
I saw where birds on their teeth.
International love.
And I've got
Name say herb be over and the international. Anyway, your name says Scott Etwaso na no around the world in 5 minutes. Now Oh boy, I'm here, dear call any dear Ben now. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's about that time. Around the world in 5 minutes with Sir Scott. Abba, Suwawa, 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 Suwawa. Hey, Suwawa. Ah, Suwawa, Suwawa, Suwawa. Sir Scott, Brajery, Sir Scott, Brajery, Sir Scott, Brajery. And me fa come to 2 market hall. And me twemu brand TB or say friend Emmanuel. Means I'm power the almost shop number 35. Now friend also Brajery. You are a team on you needs you. Then they my shots news why. And I'm Joey Frost say. Also your friend Emmanuel. And I'm so okay fine. Now me call ya me say me try you tell me to say give you a team friend. Brajery say assemble ni after me tell me ya. Give be say no so shop no after na boy na catch and say just na be to team where I feel who me. And I'm saying, dear, me to me, some of my children. Me trying to wave, wave me, I'll press obey. I need brand Breno. What's our lady news? What's me, Ucha high, no? Yes, the chow. Right, you're quite new. Brajery, yay, somewhere there. Yami Adom. Okay. Me be fine. I made a maybe some essence of balance in it. Balance in it. I said, none where ye may say, and I'm who are other, but you wish you 2 months and as I before I know, my fancy here. Where the ref, you know, John, wow, Brajery, but you know, the ref to me possible. Any. Brajery, yeah, can I tell you something? Go on and tell me something. Brajery, can I tell you something? Go on.
When the nipple is salty,
yes,
Brajery. When the nipple is salty, the bra is dirty.
And come here. Only legends will understand.
Yes. Brajery, you know Ghana maybe in your city. Now, we are single. One of my bonds, so now the earpiece I show us. Now, Bema for our business. What are you talking about? We are single, and so bunch now the earpiece I show us. Say your flower business.
Yeah.
Now, Brajery, Omoka. And and found who fem quawal yet. Found who fem quawal. Brajery, you're watching echo. As a man, okay. You found fem quawal. Brajery, you're watching echo. There you. Obi, give me a blick. Brajery Matinase.
Yes.
You're more ransom.
You're querying.
Brajery, my found Fias here or Cameroon.
I like the way you pronounce it.
Yeah.
So Australian English, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I got you.
This is the OT, Cameroon.
Yeah.
But Brajery,
just all catch him.
I'm ready here, Juma Cameroon.
Okay.
2 transgenders be. Yachiwom. Aye. Yancho, Yabacho.
Okay.
You catch us a man practicing homosexuality now, Koya Brajery was and intini. How much your mama jelly or 5 years? Aye.
Fianum.
Oh, me na make a wow. Walk with them. Wamu kwa ko demo a enya sam ketwa. Esa say yes sa de ne die ye mpewe ye krom. And o makwa akoye. And I ya chi hom tie de o makotum. I wish this law working Ghana. I wish. The word is I wish. I wish. Meaning say I wish no. Munsem no doso.
Yeah.
Brajery ento aso. Na Brajery unim.
Just o catch me.
Senior officer bia owo Hong Kong. Police department. Na ya suspended no. Ya suspended na pa Brajery.
Oh yeah then.
Ni nyina ne say wako baby a omoye massage. Na okoye no sa baby okoye no. Yen line say
okoye massage wo no.
Yen line say and omo che say high official officer te say a wonni mo mra. Baby omo line say di enti na wo call say wo kwa akwaje massage. Enti ya suspend no. Emra yedma baby. You're suspending no. You're suspending no. National Security Department on no head you. You're suspending no. Brajeri. You're suspending no. You're suspending no.
Oh.
You're suspending no cry. Enyasem ketwa. Brajeri COVID-19 ba yin. Amanfo keka. Ena then ayare ye nya no aduro ni ade. Na amanfo ka say omo fa blame no mo bia say who. Meka who a World Health Organization. Omo dey blame name omo say I say the way ya na expect you almost and be ye bibi in terms of I say yare na we must abras but cause a whole lot of damages certain countries. And you know one more say the blame is being put on them. Into omo blame you omo pa enye asem ketwa. Na chesa brajeri dia me de bae no. Okay. And I'm DC.
Okay.
Brajeri, I will tell you two things before I get there. First one. Brajeri so oba now Baba Chirels messages of guys proposing to her. Memma utrimu nyode, Brajeri.
Oba.
No, or the messages but you know boy we so pemena say ni say ya. Oh be man memma utrimu nyode. Brajeri. Those are messages she is not interested in. Those are messages of guys are on pay. Ne our panka sanka san Brajeri or the see. Or the see. Brajeri,
yeah.
Mamento bomb we na minimum say me ka menya asem.
Boko.
Mamenka na boko.
Boko.
So we ya bema. Na Brajeri. Wo hwehwe oba ware a. Wo kwa asore. Na wo kwa asore ne nso a. Men ko Sundays. Ko weekdays. E bit say Wednesday and now Friday. Slay Queens.
Say you find say evening service.
Slay Queens no. Omo Sundays nko no mba asole. Slay Queens on Sundays nko. To Ubeto asma mama from any film kakra. Would we mama from any film kakra. For me shama sorry dem na me. From any film kakra. Me na me catch Omo no. Omo mba weekdays no say Wednesday and Friday evening service. Omo baby. Omo ba Sundays nko. Itu papa wale. Me mania from where we. Wo be me nsamba. Itu opo ba na wale na wo pen wa so dem a. Ko weekdays. E bit say Wednesday or Friday. Oko Sunday a wo be wale sleeping. Me di adese escort. Oko achimadan ye fekuro bi kejebi. Na chese wo kan.
Na we jebi.
Brajeri French di ka cho say Javel Capel. Na chese wo tete den.
Ye mecho.
Obi bon pa say me refi misika no bo akura mefa.
Oh my goodness. So that was around the world in 5 minutes with C. Scott. I was here prepare now the irrigated sports at Twaswama. Adom 106.3 FM. Bampacho ya cash kakra. Oh, me am team says kasem why thing. Advanced Ghana Savings and Loans is there for you. Yes, bro. Because I already said be born our business no. Etimi survive it. Yes, an affiliate of the Advanced Group in Paris with over 1 million clients and presence in 9 different countries. Yeah, more competitive interest rate on our loans, good collateral policy, and a loan without any prior savings, just when you need it. Yeah, mobile banking services are a friend or a mobile bank and also a more absolute comfort. Our brother will make you repayment any other transactions directly from your Momo account anywhere you are at no cost. Wait me out visit any of our 20 branches across the country and our website www.advancedghana.com for further information. Equally, you can speak to our call center agents. Our to free line is so 0800 355 355. Advanced Ghana, growing together. Shanta San, still pause. And she be the irrigated sports here trust with the amount here on Adom 106.3 FM. Before that, no, I say a bonk one cry. multi choice for transfer sana na say ohun say enkomo bi mu hwampa apiemu ti Christopher be born tew na chese yakoye ni mu a boss yakọ aba
ye nia
na bibia boko de
boko na so
me ho ye me je hu sa pani say good news na mkwa so ba
enti ba ha ni je nkwa na ba
eti boy enkomo enei asembe na apiemu.
Enija yedina man say this weekend yeah Go TV customers yeah Mamo FA Cup final no?
Wow.
Live on Go TV so
wow live on Go TV enkomo de emu ye pa enti ye hwe hye ho to say
nti wo Go TV da uhia so be hwe e bia o account here active now Go TV Plus so nkwa dia utumi hwe FA Cup final no live but only Go TV we be our account no call off they me can say download my Go TV app no na connect to MTN Momo account no to the app which means you now activate your account straight from the app. And also with me I call using the alternative payment options now. I'm creating to me direct from Momo and now Vodafone Cash and now e-transact express pay the other options now are available but the need some now say weekend we Go TV customers nanka for some time na yen cash in for FA Cup no but almost besides so your person share FA Cup share FA Cup ye tiemu and ye mamo FA Cup this weekend so they are the other shows entertainment packages now will Go TV so
okay so let's look at it from this point too say see how can ade na me de minyaya na e bia fan say me ni bi kura na makoto Go TV ene ye am pese me hwe bia anye bia no say me making an additional payment bi said be ametimi anya FA Cup finals bi ahwe ana say me koto no this year me dem
okay nti sese a ura any multi choice shop wa Accra Kumasi Takrade Tamale utumi to Go TV decoder no 109 Ghana cedis wo first month no yema Go TV Plus and no more about 50 channels so 109 now to decoder no untia hwe nka ho biom because channel 131 na yebeyi FA Cup no so no Go TV Plus package no so baby a Go TV Max subscriber and also a Go TV value subscriber out here 23 cedis they can say top it up na my upgrade the core plus and now Go TV Max so say no to me na liga unya Premier League one match weekend bia na say nya Serie matches no so nti they can say 109 na unhia hwe bi ni na decoder antenna plus 1 month of 55 channels.
Wow. Ade ba kwa na man for to yi say na mo top box and mo to decoder hwe specific channels bi na almost I dream ho local channels no. Unza na ebi mu obetimi anya bi no wo so ne ade so e bia me koto we a me local ones me pebi a me nyane anya bi obi to Go TV sisi a now all these channels here okay na onya ye local channels no anya bi obetimi ahwe no so through the decoder na
okay nti wo Go TV so no yankasa here guarantee wo depending on the package also no Go TV Max onya almost 65 plus channels
okay
but because decoder near digital the no other free to air local channels na ewo wiem no decoder na sanchi into obi wo Go TV say otuminya almost 150 channels because the free to air digital channels say about 100 but yeah we Go TV no so ankasa no yes we uploaded channels be including Adom FM radio
okay
Joy radio any other radio about 6 radio stations and 10 free to air TV channels and you guarantee into be the free to air broadcast be to make off
okay
need be at selective channels be to me but guaranteed channels no about 65 up to 65 depending on your package also plus the FTA channels and some radio stations so will Go TV no so in the end once you are counting active in quad to be channels we need now.
That's nice now obi a first timer kan nani agyenkomo na oto Go TV bia na first 1 month he said okay na all the goodies na why enjoy we afi all tua for the subscription ne ade no e ho hyehyɛ te sɛn kwan bɛ no fa so where does the person go na wakotua ne ade
Okay. Utumi tia wo bebia wo bia once wo mobile money or phone so no utumi tia into or MTN or Vodafone cash or Express Pay utumi tia straight from your phone. Now o try when you na bia untumi so a utumi copy body agents bia wo neighborhood ho and also beba multi choice Ghana office bia ben wo utumi tia ho. But the person me catch on say e be a very few account number Daniel decoder no Daniel Osha Asia red sticker bi wo ho we will say a IUC number or IUC and no account number it your go to be decoders in na up dane na Osha Asia na red sticker bi bo ho e bi wo ho e wa ase and I say with the so IUC no and no account number it will be out dial *759# na a fully response be aba it will ask you who person your DSTV and now Go TV no select Go TV then it will say put your IUC number odi wo sa number ne share and no abeka tell say be now Go TV Max into tia say or Go TV Plus to tia say and then na I can say put in your pin. And that's
I don't know. Officer simple my crowd your pastor or phone so. Me say me number my because me name numbers here the two team baby say my store people.
Maybe o have me now for be say was store as Go TV. It will be oh here pa copy.
Oh yeah happen that simple na o call baby. Oni obi ani asem. Now hwe say obi here more info ebia na nkoma ye di entimi amfa ba bia na ade entimi an capture na obi here additional information obeden na nsa etimi aka.
Okay, simple. Obi a person to Go TV decoder just send the Go TV any within cost 1731 obi be frel ni bisa o tin for also meet taifa ni a Charles ebia taifa okokona we a obi wo ho tombi anase mo kumase okok we a obi wo anatamale anase takrade anakofrodia just udin ni wo telephone number no ni Go TV now they call 1731 na we be frel otherwise so to me frey one number we so 0302 740 540 and also offer sign number na you be ma baby o you bisa baby awo ana ya ma the nearest dealer na say reseller be e ben otherwise since your boy since wo krom omo ton decoder no approved price near 109 Ghana cedis
and I can be basu
and e be ma one decoder antenna remote control plus 1 month of up to 55 channels and only guaranteed and sana also na so actually the free to air channels now but I guarantee channels no on the plus channel on the plus pack Go TV Plus package 55 channels near guarantee
wow that's nice eti for kono mu ode eti we no ebe anke ne you know now why na wa ma on account the April kuna Africa final watimi ahwe bi ni ade anya final wo kosra wa danfo ye be wie no afi wo kofie sala nko asa na enye light ma sanka dera wa watimi ahwe bi ofi na wa join bibia e kama eti e be da wase say all my information mu hwam say
it's weekend we the FA Cup and the for Go TV
sure that's it all right you don't want say wo hwe bre na won say irrigated sports bre na ebre yin so e dey irrigated sports bre wi adwumako ba ko odimu akotene pa Go TV omukure mu dendenden enti eja ye pone bre ne kakra ma om na ye didi dwa ye wie ni say ye dey ye beba gum na mpanifo akasa na yetimi e dey irrigated sports atwa so e dey ama mane koso nda ya wa Adom 106.3 FM. This is your own show, Ofie Kwanso. Who knows tomorrow?
Well, please, irrigated sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging.
That's right.
And perfect unexpected. Irrigated sports. Papa. So listen to irrigated stuff. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. Safokum Chacha.
My name is Prophet Kum Chacha. I'm listing alligators
sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha, I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi Chum.
Other for me didn't this Sisi Chum. That they be a irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because me tia manage na me stress
obviously say on the fofra bow or the brand new one be abana proper chiwa fidie so na ayesa ye na ade but ye behwe ne abochi e come up a new song from Sisi Chum. Offer
open program one dede hwam fast sports one tie irrigated sports Adom 106.3 FM. The FM is John.
Good. Kwame Akwaba.
Okumejo so.
Ampono mutu saying.
Janadom.
Yedanyamiase. Yedanyamiase. All right, adia Akwaba.
Yadro.
Sebo ko de.
O nyame adom bibia e fine.
Yo. Unofficial mayor. Unofficial
so for Korea easy for ladder. Ladder no easy for actually na easy for one say on be hu kan ya na che
ladder na mo yesa
Sataric nyoma na bia
o jasa
so o ma twede ba kwa mo de adwuma ka so for na tam
na se matam atwede nti de no mo fanfro po
mo ne
ba ku ewugidi
ana ka so for mutimi
akwala 12 years
enya no kran ka yede na e bae
me say 12 years ni kura timi kuni pasie no na po na ore oka
manyi ni
kaso a mistake no
Car City
ECG for bona kwa ku sisi ameka se we se musulmi fo ene no mu wie chino ba dio mu ene
say o china holiday
kaso for
ene ni ewie
awia na ma
almost starting there almost start one ka say ene ne start you when you wie ndi o say ene na ye wie
na se unim se gamanche se ga mo kana say ga spawn ga shipon
ga be person che say
nkran sasin kran for there ga shipon gamanoni ti enye de kuro yim enti ebutu nkonya enti ye de ye sere nuanom musumifo a ombe wie
banon your friends noise making enti say ya o china we no so yo mo yi
so umra ka so
Allahu akbar ni nyina untimi
ari ye curfew ba kra ye be
mama ya say na okay
Allah ne de o ye de
dabi untimi mie horn speaker no ye ne dede
ato wa hada sa na bani ato dabi ato kro mo hada be bisa wa ato wa ha ato wa ya Allah akwa de ye na ye
minti
Kwame, they don't do it.
Okay, what's the one?
No, they respect it. They don't do it.
Where the can say how the utimbe.
It's almost for celebration in the round.
Nima for a shaman for
as I'm a come on. Nima for as I'm for
no friend Nima self for shaman. I'm a caca as well. I didn't know first all the way.
I don't tell you. I didn't fall like you come on.
Atani tell you.
Hey,
you know
you don't win. I said, yes, I'm my man.
Now, Nim so free. Any man, a shaman a back. I would say, and none of you be able to get you a Gucci. I be credit, didn't they? Mammy be there be and they went the good na
after and next sex in the year when they work your mom said just say I can't
your mom any you go shedding say one who
shedding to before them that so chinkom
there be oh my so chinkom friends that's all come man shedding
I can one day
you can say when you be
now o celebration here first o celebration here first now celebration
I said on your 6 and about 10 against 11 it's almost just an almost short and at the 11 and I was a first goal it was put up on front to us
Vatican 1-1
and then 1-1 I don't know what it was
1-1 as a
phone draw I
know the can share good amount here and you want to get ready and you say I'm on your mass I had what you show no what to car
you make a tell no
say the enemy fight
family
house na share one I feel na house share one yeah
now boy kasa for some na beti ayi for kasa chero ise go for kasa chero
almost one is still region
I put here to for kasa no take as well for
na kroma ball nyina
kan
una wo map
the fro sumia
was ni mama na minya no say da afuna no me ra ho de chese na bia ya da no Nigeria ho a ya no da suru kra point ma ko pen na da mo ni de oto aso
mo de 9
de make at you ade na win how many points ni
9
oto kono de obe lose watch na e wo krom ha ya
ba bia bo no no
o se ko ho mu bobo ase se wo ba obe lose ha na maka kira o se obe lose
obani ye woni se man ye o hoi ani woni na ni so
man de na kai
yo timi ni se ni fa so ani woni na ni so
ade
league ya ye boy kotokomo home match ba kokra o adopted home grounds.
Oh, your home is your
home. Meba. Your home ni. Your home ni.
Una was one can also.
Oh my God. I home. Enka your home. Your home you Kumasi. Kumasi asante ko be home you Kumasi.
And you were new class your home.
Ah, league ya boy. Ye more ye home match ba kokra still ya da soro. And you wo se be chemu angu a o tiete.
Home ni da ko ja che, ho de home.
Na nko bo pobi man.
Adaku ja che na yo.
Na nko bo mo de no pobi man.
Obani. Out of focus ato atena. And it just say be an chance what you your program.
Esi gama chance say odma me ko kan de so.
Kwakwe.
Na mo twetwe.
Bibia just say what radio so air program.
Eka ketu ya be no ani abe.
We go mo no go afa ne be pon kwa ba be. Eti ye ko me da say.
Asase odma me say ko kan de so.
Say anya estate ne be ya ma say be estate. Ba say be.
So say ya malan kese sa o so o je nyina ho. Utwa wo fa ho.
Me mo asase anu odi gaye juzo.
Juzo gaye mo dey sana.
Debut.
Some be ma no bo ha saba so say. What say go? You go so bo ma so ye mie. What talk sana.
Na bo no go ohun go kro.
Ah go so ye wo.
No mo nko na ahye.
Ogu.
Ye so bia bobo etwam kra na apim mo.
Me dia ma no nyina ahye.
Obi ahye.
Eti ye be ye fimu ana.
Oh. Say boy ye nyam point. O ma bo say. Ye ko no so no to has ni kunu.
Kunu me kunu. Jo mus ko so wonka. 90 plus 1.
I say bon na kapon e.
I say
penalty go finish.
Kotoko be lusu otena na ahyem pepepe.
So mpa ebono no de e
kotoko lusu kra se ye bitimo.
And then ya pon ana.
Untie dem again.
Anya 3 points na me fa mfro. Na say lusu na gina ho.
Wa yin frama obedwemu yi. Enya ye nan ne ka kire wo. Enya ye nan enya nan china.
Kwa di just me wa no me ni hweka bi mpani fo ngati makasa jaka.
Yo, ya da wase bebre. Se why ni titia amaye.
Uni hweka ndi ye kasa.
Ya membe.
Nya wani.
Ade me kasa makasa. Me kasa makasa me ni hweka se si amonka.
Usu ni hweka, usu de obe kan no no. We wa na aka e obi ne ka kire wo.
Me kama se
wa na aka e se obi bi aka.
Since when obi aka se. Maka first one we kan.
Na ulezi nyansapo na abo ya na se.
Se be mi fie du ko ha obra.
Me se ofutu ulezi nyansapo na abo ya na.
Nyansapo ka di we Air Force.
The unti de make ulezi wi a epo na wo na mi bisa se nyansapo ana se.
Se da nyansapo sa ye boto so.
Me.
Na ese ni sane be ya. Se nyansapo de wo so mu twen ya na sane.
Ko me de adre peka ke we ye na.
What do you do? As a mate for pomo me.
Unim say
for lazy pomo
openi. Unim say abrabo mu ahokere ni ade bi ho no mu a edu ba bi obi timi di ahoma. Ekura bo ne trouser instead of belt.
But America for be here so much belt.
Oh David me ka say
titi. But always ka be
by
David e bi ho a me your trousers be 3 or 4 ha. And it comes with it that
I don't know.
And the boom and yes I should done walk off.
Obeni me ka obi ahokere nti odi ahoma.
I also
na tade
yeah.
Na instead so be nyansapo no. Em say oye ya okan ya ba e Jane na second one Jane.
And e do no.
Ena okọ bomba so. Ade na de dre ne pa.
Ah, say efri ato ani.
Watua ni sika awi. Na wa enter. Nso oba e na eso aye manti. Na also oyusu.
Obom pempen kakra.
What this kana. Finally na.
When ekwan da mu.
O inside ni pia je say emu ada also nukodo na fe epo no. Unti san. Obani ogina fa kutwa ne ho ma te. Ani ba no so na ze ni kana e ka so de ne ma na sa be si kofi
Why you going home?
Oh yes.
Oh
there be oh you crow first na be na yam.
Oye no bedru na adne so ma na mse se de na adne so ya si ade tre no the concentration nyina wo kwa befa so betua home na ode ntesu aka ne funuma na ode de ne kakra kakra nti na adwan ko so se e wo po bi wo ho a e wo so sa enti hu se minim se sa de so a check ahwa so yan kan pa na o ya dru ba bi a
na afa na e press more
ane do so ni nyina
uje mu na afa de de ahoden e mama e senses ni nyina ejen so ben ho na na no so e ba fe de e po ni osane e nsani e no kina no wo twa no
asem ne ya pa
oh
usi de wo sin ba se ho be ka bi
o gina o twa no TV e chense e de mana be di ono ane na cha di na so side e be
na ko fie ko kra
go bomba ha no 50 pesos na won nje ye no won anye so de be ye won de be siesie wo
e ho mensu
ka ma kwan se ko ye hu ye mi a
already
e
ho mensu nkom ka no tunsu mo bro ni no
but obi akose mpa na ezre sa do nye easy
na ya o ku se kan sa na dim ka koduru na be ko na so aye ma bo sa no bom pempem ka se ukuta pepedi awu brase pepedi awu ne ditwi uko no aba
na nse mo ni di toilet wo
sa de ya mi fo nfa nche obi aje se na me tifi mu ko bi ko so na
so no so di bi ka
na ne loko na fo ni bites ya no bi ko man bi banku bi don friend esebo so ka fo do mu ni friend esebo na wo doko mu obo
friend dey esebo no dey
esebo banku di ya no esebo
en kan na be so kan no but won kan ye no it's in the BT kan tie ni ye kan ye esabo enye so kan mu se kan na be so kan na
aka for ya more
ti o mo ase no
esebo ani aka ay ko no de tese sa banku no be di aje to kakra gum se na obenya taste ni ye na kwa mi ko yi bi
ale ma men kwa na nyade
na ho de bi timi kan ready so da so ko so he mi nya
o de ko fa se ma
ami ya no be be bo Sunday special o mampo Sunday special na nchen wa no to mi mo ndi na obi akoka kire na mami se boys sponsor na ibinum tutu bi ni ade o to sa to sana o ma twimako tie no ye ne kakra kafe no boys to no o tirem no travel kwa na mami bodwe na boy ba ko so mami e ma ne nya wa dwen da se nkwan no na e do ye meko na ye twi no e ne kurakura ho nkwan eh mane nya oda ada obi be ton kwan a wa anom sa na wa ntwimako no wada pazi de besi ada ni
ti gwa do ni family yam na
esebo odi adon ba no
ayi no
wa ni esebo no kra
e ti nim san san na boss yo tell me no gwa kuna family toilet nse wo fi oni atum ya kamera to aso man food
na we na just ujagu
na bi na fa ngu no ba bi am dugu ya de afani
obi dem
Morris baby face da bia interview no ka say otimene no open map otimene ma for that a day na make us na say record we dey share na record sir
what's what then
on ma for that a day
one day
na say nya record bia
no na ma for ada then also
a man for the record
ni be a chess
oh there be you sleep one day you sleep with 4 different women and then how you assassin
record some man for kita no Morris dey ni so make us say a man for
na we nya record papa
make us say
one day no na ma for ada
timetable be no use ni sa
eh dey no
we book Morris
minimum
ada na me no more
nice guy on a Smith or to no man why ni minimum say
no san fa to hu de fa to nchen ansa sa semba ho
ana samba
fa to nchen yo mi hu for no kwa na me ma hye me pa ni kan so de ne kan mesro sa sem ne ko fa nsem pi ba mesro papa ne se no printing press
ya preach ni
so nim Jackson Park no
lady na nkasa kwa hona no ya juma se no
yeah so papa no so ye so fo se den kwa bibisa
na ayi Kenya se kwan no so oba no kraji se oba ne si asoda ne nti ba sa no na
ode
ayi mun chire
no tell it say ohun se wi ase no ma bi wa do hun se mu a achela mfa so pa bi amre o no obiado abobi pa
so no ho manyame nti ode ye mfa to ho
oni ni nuane nyina
Morris na ba ko bi ka ho roro
ne brother no
so nyano mo beat
no so ye
first demo Morris na boy
wo first demo
eh na ojina na so Morris e bo demo ama ode
ya inform aduma ni ago
wa bo nyum pen
no a rapper
ni studio ni awo stadium no afa stadium ni ma ko down I want na
Morris
yeah I want na Morris studio no
askwa ho na
ko na kwade na dem ho what is about 3 days na on the motor no dey agi aba ho ni wonyina ya okonfo kwa de asa me ka chapa
dia na agi aba ho
okonfo kwa de motor mu kwa mo be dia ba
oh masa
ha pie pot ni pelt
be say ni want to no way jai titi
ya be
so adwen yo say
ya ba 7 na
titi adwen yo say sila obodam tu kan won tia is ni want to no
how no boy no that hustle me ko ya dem ni bi na onda ho
da bi ntu anya bibia amfa no ho say ni motor mu kwa
na onda studio na unwa ya say de motor bi tu bi say be chawa motor
da bi ya be no
oh Santa me kan 2001 2000
sabe no comfort boy no
oh by 2001 no ba out
Santa no comfort ba out ankasa
no gina so na sila na moto mu no free ho twam ko ho
wo de pusa mo se me boa se oba na ko fie ana
kwa me
mo no so ko ba bida oba studio o ko fie
oh da bi say minim say Morris there
obeda
wakoko ba
ndia on ko horo no
tie tie kokko ni se da nya time ma yen Santa mo yo konfo mo duma me ni abiti bi se mi cha na do one
onye no e ba won
demo no na akoye wakobuku studio koye no demo
Santa na bisi kanso me ga bi fa na do na ma 40 cedi so
ti onye no ba bon ti
na di film kokko be se e ba Morris baby face so
ti ma na me record we na sa ba e Santa no kwa me de yi sanyu amuranga ewu
ena de
sanyu na jira kwaku
na nyum no we
eton kai
and oh let us rap na me kai but I know that's
my two lines be na DJ ina be
kolos edu be but enti odo bebe ni na mafo akatia enti odo bebe ni na mafo
and tie me ba we come train we ena odi fa saa nyum no dia ene e betimi dia no abo beat na mana ka watu ahye sisi ya
saa nyum no kwa so benya wa
amunanga no ho
amunanga no na yenre se atia ne be ko a
oda di kwa ya jam ya ni tina jam mo bo me de take
you akola ki to we sisu no nyuma na de ba
tim take ni game to kolos no na ma take
sa where is ofa ho kra ye yi
oda bi ko so ara oprim ba bi ente ko ye na ye serious
ti we demo no want me anye
ba bi so to kuma sana ko ye
there's we demo ye na ka demo na
I want me one song na me try the
na so na go de single ba wi ase
ako me bobo scam me bobo scam ana so studio scam
na so na start single Ghana ha
right from to kuma ase ana me get ni ma mi bi
kwa me o se ma o na de single ba wi ase
saga no da bi am konko bi am konko ko nim to go stores
yeah
na ye ne bag nti no friend no bo am na me ko record ba
na say story akwa yes lumba ne obey the abi
sa
Teresa the ni bi na okay say they was so na
we me heti akasa ka di bon
your friend say
adwa
no
me to go store ka
adwa to go store na ka dey the afem na we am for ye nya hwe na ba ne say
anum no me nya ye betima sa akokoro
e ba ne say ya wonyum na ka dem
anum no say de anum ayefo first no de ubonyo wa obrewu say ko internet say tatawale so yinuma onko ba bia Facebook no ya na
to cassette
ya itam no so de ubude nyuma ne koya so bi be bo show me kai obo e be bo road safety show bi me ko perform bi koya say ma me ye be nyi scan o me ko perform
because you knew
eti le tano na tatam jeri mu ne de mu jira wona so satam no ta say jeri ana so obi asa ne kasa e e bi si stage de so
eti jeri hu no original stage so
kwame why ne man na say e tina oba ha sky car say ya nam so de on fa no na me timi na ya duma o de be share hai what I say
Kenya ni obo one
stage ni so
me ni Lord Kenya sata me bagage is news
but when enye say ya ma amulanga no entin kosa amulanga no
me say no na me
amulanga o amulanga
adeyewu say much na umu wa me agotogo Otibu, we are not bros.
My to chorus.
How do you sound my feeble sound breath
you ready
how do you
ready sound
my feeble
I like one baby
Inti odo bebe ni na mafun aya ya. Inti odo bebe na mafun aya kete. Ina ti baye jami ti
ya. Uzo ina machi de denu.
Akisa ko fo dia kan boni.
Ani da machi de dia. Ani jina ni odo akoda ba bi dia machi de dia.
Tell your house match now.
Oh, that going with 90+1. Also say.
Only team ni.
Chelsea shot me and Sawa Shaba come with it.
Yeah, 3 point. Kwaku. Now, see I could not can.
Also there.
But the Chelsea were from local base number 8. They are kind of men 30 men squad now.
30 man.
Oh yeah, 30 man squad. 30 man squad now, my friend. Fat Ghana from local players.
So they are crying here. Mama.
What I say? Kotoko 4 players. I'm sure from today will.
They been in Napa house player there. Man,
There will be but
Kotoko players.
We get na Ghana.
Yem free futua.
Benjamin house players be playing last time. Benjamin Asamana okay. Obet me abo. Has play be no to be more blasters. Kwaku say o match me na dey represent the young. Kotoko dey okwa Africa kwa no ne anti ya ama bo friendly matches. Blaster dey also on yes sir. Eti e be ko Morocco. Ati say we Morocco e be sa bu Kenya so. Eti a true friendly say yes so. E dey boy won say AFCON dey nya qualify you. Say dey World Cup dey. Eti e be go sell 2 matches no dey share ho den. Some match no ya free boys we mo akobo. Na mo siki on fa we mu nya sa adwuma ni nya do see e be ko a akofa broche fo no ko a. Oh, we be so for there the day party and the day for me na yi o mo no so.
Broche fo ko local players some me be for
8.
The day for Ben Emi.
Check here.
Oh, then I have the list, so let me give you.
Because me list no so.
Are you for name? Are you for name? You know that the day for name.
Richard Ofori.
South Africa.
And Razak Ayi. Abalora. Say Ayi local. And Ibrahim Daniel.
Danlad.
And Orlando Ayi. And also team necessary no. And now Opa Ayi left back and so Baba Abdulrahman.
Oh, Abrochiri ni Ghana.
And Afe Gideon Mensah. Also another team. You know, Ghana 14 both teams are all over you.
Masa, your mama ni betu no na dey.
Team ni di ground no abo.
Anga go tu no nyina.
Say South Africa on back so no about Dreams FC. There's a local friendly Makoma Kubisi mo.
Any team.
And
one for back one kan okra nanka enyo no.
I say I come my boyfriend this no. Ya bo qualifies no. Omo engage on no adwuma so yi. E ma.
Kwampoku say.
I want so South Africa. Nti sike so aya there. Kwaku na ayi wodim sage Maria Kelly.
Mariah
Carey ana Kelly.
Debbie.
Carey.
Kelly.
Maria
Carey. Oh, you're a musician and now
you're a musician.
Maria Carey.
TV presenter.
From where?
Oh, okay. Kaso de mutai mo cruise. Kaso sport what?
Jamaica me say, Kwame Jamaica yebo cruise or Jamaica. Reggae or house cruise. Kaso ebo
reggae. Maria Carey ni nyumba na company. A very fantastic musician. Waiting to sell days in the other day. Ujani na so pa. Kwaku ababa we tabri ne country na kodina court say or $50 million. It's an say we wasting the time.
Dem.
Was say one na twem plan san one for na nkosi aga. Enti on man say $50 million. Ghana Maya say omo this is can be Ghana amount for the bankrupt too.
Breaking news.
Why na ba?
Media wo ho. That's for 2021.
Aha. What surprises now na make?
And you say Kotoko ye twim.
Well, you are beginning to understand the surprises. Kotoko will lose tomorrow. If you league say pie.
Why lose it tomorrow?
Kotoko will lose tomorrow.
Boss be share boss.
For say baby hwe.
Na puto.
Kotoko will lose tomorrow.
We see how him go.
Enti waste of time obi betimasi ubi na me company obi betimasi ubi. We see.
Oh yes. Yes. Yeah, my disappointment will be yes.
What disappoint you be that one?
Yeah.
Haku. When you saw me there.
Who see me say? Diana person me know you.
This is only the trip plan now one no. Na ko help bafu floor. And as also
Ujana no okwaku si wa na.
It's only the account.
Say ni. Say owa go si Udiani ense.
Also, so this capital $50 million.
$50 million.
You start repaying and copy again on network. Because we again when you capital. I was a person scale account. Now I am wrong.
Enya djuma wa ha.
nanse na wo pese
aso na bisa wo ho
nanse na no pese eyi
so ba no kro ba fie be senior man na obi ti verify say we no boa wo ka be da wo check na o was kabiti wo
eyi affirmative action nanse na no won yes say be adwuma
lo ne am so munya pass
omunyi samara no na omunyi ba ko nyi momuntu
ba ko de
yeah okay
yena no ne ka ho asem ho yi
only one that can was me.
Yeah.
There can he Chemi Avenue come.
I said yeah now you refuse some.
Ah really me refuse kai.
I'm so memory no so am. Empe kakrebi. Empe 50 gig.
Fale to aka.
Dabi.
Obani uzo ko California ya chi abantie bi 38 years. Na yese COVID ba yi.
Relief fund na omo boy a amanfo nyina fund no omo bentwitwa wo ho kakra no on de ogia no ogoje Ferrari baako
o de akoto Ferrari
baako o me ba me bobo ba oje Ferrari no oje Bentley enem se oje car baako bi so kra kan we Lamborghini
oje Lambo so car
enso e kan ho
car no ma beto no
na omo boy che no munze no yes $5 million no okoje so de ko phone business Tanga Franco wa ina ka manji Jessica no abakoje
se kwaku se ye ha kra ye bi ma se de boa small scale
obani uni se ye de yom jiche se minim crofobia mai ba ku oje sada na no oye ni mumu ma obi oh yeah
ono kwaje no mumu obi
emso wan se de nya dodo kaka no nya na no de gro medamase
okay sa hade enoso
enoso kra na enti wo koje so onim se sika no oje na 18 ma emwa business akoje di aide
baka ni sweet ka ni sweet
ya ba sika enti no aje no adi
ka ni sweet pa
baka na yeso sa sika ye cha ye hwehwani mu ne de che se MPP was is one fund bi aba MPP fund be je more NDC ba near the initiative bi ba say maslog one NDC party for na be je more eti ontua untimi nyani hu
your problem
kasi wa pa no kufodo ba ko bi ba e near the schedule asofo ma nsa kwa ko bi enu otua ka prebisi besi nne
asa maslog mi pa bebre ho mo ko je kasi dia o
mantia abi twa so nkan dwa so e ma je ye ukoda na ka so enye nyina ne
oh na ugina udi a I say offer confoire na mo tie fa oto
what this can be
oh tie is it tie ya twatase ya gu etirizu se nya ba akofo ni ete ya kakra be kan taxe bi na dia kogu petrol so na musu eti scan ye de bana ye che mount fa ye adwuma na fa so na so be dia so I just wu dia na ye
o mano
documents cause you know that name no hwem you obi ono onye mobo ade cast be for sanse o party bia side party na was so time
yeah
bisa baku kita documents ni na
obeje
ono wo sikala dada no dan cruiser no
my back you kra ono se kra
ono yo chama ne man
sama ne se kra wadanfo no ono se oji tu
me madam fu
wa wadanfo
wantia
okotwa den
dia no
apam dada for ono ne ya fine pa
krokro
ono se ni di wo
krokro
oji ni
na brother has all the documents
na unim de ya no mo ye so omoji sana no mo mpai ba na se party na breso ni nsaka no onko opposition
so ko dia office kennedy
sana ya omununu nti omununu on office kennedy
akwa nani abi sweet cars nkwa no to yo
when you $5 million akwato den ka
what
kwaku ka say ye twinye no ne pe
atefo cars no Facebook no so mo dem
eno so ma ko panzo akura watwi e mo beto ka na hye mo
etu no mo de
kwaku sa abroche ye kire no dodo se na e bi oga na ha e be ko kwa kire mo
eno ni asa
so what disika no e dey akoye not the intended way no dey be for
Bentley no so ni o black one heavy pa
obenu se ka bi wa utrempe na ho asisi ho
ayo se from
na me ka se mi se bibini on se obi adwuma na ofa no a onye hu na ketu obeje bosome a the next year be na adwuma odwene ho ayeka
oh yeah
kwa be onwene se mfaso be na be ba na adwuma na koso hwe sika onye se ka no de koto e
obi opeka da
obi otu opeka
fan of cars
ne kwan do ka che
e ho komo ade na che
akonya
ba ba na adwene mu ane ka
we say you chrome akranka the system cannot track him say okoto sa ne o no
oh there
of no system
ah de betra kro yi mu
but ultimate track ko hu say sa ojiska we dey na de akoye o we dey master of mom
yes true
so ka omodi ne kwa idea obani enra ye ne ababa bi di nkomo anwumre no nsia kase ebo no so
san komo no anosh
na
David mami ya na yi
amwa
o esos 2
I just two say.
Why your research as a research be on one? What you have to?
I'm afraid that's my baby.
I'm afraid that's him.
Maybe I could see
Nadia no.
Chamber.
There be tea. Akosu anankasa no eno ani se de uhunu ogina ho a uhu se
full beach pie ne da ho
eno a ne ho
beach pie ne da ho
ba bia wura ko ba no
ekwan no kunkum betima fa nifa
ba ko ye no ba ko ye ejane
na ba bia ne de
eno no
ba bi ho kwa ye ne ya
ba bia se ba bia ho no
chintie esa na ye ne ya
to ogano be man no ho be man no ho man dey side no man dey side
dabi
wa oni ni kunu net
ba we said you kitu ebni ebe ya man ya block the
yeah we
block the other side ade we ade
no ko for man
na said you can ya said on cement ko patch baby ko ka say easy sa
na oni medical
oni port ya wa ya kra mo ya wa go say there
obi o woni mi edu ko etimi yi ba ko man ka ba ko
enu ye different
enye wo na yetu
kwame titi ti de be ma kwame ate ase ni kwame ne ba no eye normal ogina ho na hu a hu ni say normal de bia but wo kwa akoye adwuma ho na this na wo kwa wo de ko hye ho no na mienu e wo ho
and double entry point
enti no wo kotua ba ko sen asem na aka za no all the victory I feel now
yeah okay we twan for ni wona adwin mu na
kwabra kisi
ebo ba ko edi kuma no ma mi
kwabra kisi hwe na o kan se bi o se dan lad Kim Pfizer na kotoko dan lad o loan o Kim Pfizer onye Kim Pfizer player why kotoko player didn't come on loan obi se Ofie anyina kotoko for the ntisa
Accra has folk wa e team bia wo bo a wonda
asem na san kokan
o support so wonda so abrantie akwa obo has folk
so kan kwase
ya fana Daniel Kwan
kan kwase ansa
abrantie be prayer tama ya bossa immunization committee matches
o say
I say was so nyɛ
na o kan intendem za o say near body competition
normalization
kwaku
ya competition na near body ko nyere
e fo ko mo ni bi komo o fo ka ti sa kwa we mu sama ya bo normalization committee
kan normalization kwame kan
normalization ni nyamienu nyezezezi
kwame normalization kan NC keke na why kwame kan NC keke na
normalize kwaku the word is normalize then you add the nation normalize
the nation
normalization committee you go to boss committee ni matches na branch ni prayer na you pray more din ye pa ni ko to dwe afetire anya fetire ke
mfie mienu nie
na kwaku house of company for ayade amama aji pa ya tabia branch ye ya mfana ne nam toko ani New Town ayafa South Africa
because of the Germany said you send no ko no
but yere ko no omo ye expect impo abrofu from America but South Africa
na say no o ninja o go ko o bi ye ninja ko
you don't know
what o ya travel
to say obi anya injury yere ko South Africa
Herbert Mensah time
I especially
I say ko ninja ye de ko Hawaii
what did they call South Africa?
That's 20 years ago. So I found South Africa. I 2 years in India. I'm a doctor for Ghana. I can say Debbie. This was said you South Africa. A few million. Obi ba obo nobody dey. Atwe esun sa fe. Won dey pass be ho ho am.
Power atu agu na.
I want to me say shetam o play. Organization. Now is a 2 years in.
Any problem.
A few years
problem. I tell you 2 years.
Said you know a process.
But
it okodru and now
announce it 2017 2017 what keka bom he
announce police
on chain na kwasi we my bia na ne boto kakra ke so no come so fi mana
one of the news portal
na ina kwan da mu
it go and you be the briefing based on the surgery what I say na ochina nkasa ya twitwa no ama na atiapo ama bi agro ama kra haso fu kwa kuma manfo so tia sasa match na hase bo akogu
okay me ba ye ICC a Reverend Esther Owusu Yeboa ewo Italy CCI na eneye na woda enti we wish you happy birthday eni nyame hira pi na enko ema no na Professor Nelson Boateng Frimpong Top Ministries Holland so shino happy birthday so for your usu ansanso ensa ewumbi kama pa
Gwagu.
Yeah, sorry.
Na mekuta video bi ohun. Video ye ntimi nyi.
Okay.
Amamfo hwe.
Gwagu. Ma menhwe ne ana menhwe ade.
Hwese de tie. Nkwara nketo o. Yes.
Na sa kula wundi 10 years.
Yes.
Oh.
Ana oyede.
Yes.
Ade atie fo mpakwara mo de yo.
No, we can't show this to the public. Oh.
Omo two.
What done here chenwe?
Omo two. Udi e ba ko no beba okuta Bruni ba.
Oh. Ba one e chom. Ye hwe enema slay queens ye ya kan. Almost my en kan yo. Hwe de omo chen kola yi. Hwe. Goodness.
Udi en so be bo ba no ba so ko slay.
Kwame.
Oh. Omo nya da.
Hwe de second akola ne ye.
Yes.
Oh, you should don no de yo.
Yes.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh.
No.
No. You the wow. No. I have a daughter. No, come on. No. I can't continue. You are the don here. No.
Young country slay ko so from and so omunya hona so the camera see o mani no mo yo mo na omo mani free ho.
No,
free.
Can you do something about this thing and show now amount for? I wish people could see this. No more advice. We should be careful. And they acquire be our phone. Yes, be our tablet. No. We can't. Charlie.
Also, share.
It's not listen. Why you are lamenting?
Share. I'm sorry, but this thing we can't show it. No, Akolano said they are slave quincy. Now I say or tracking no be me. Akolano on the bear 8 years.
8 years.
Okay, you see
8-year-old
while running home. And also yes, I didn't be naked. Now I feel and on the camera not to I catch not or fin to their bay, not the name. And then the second one. No so ye no ono so ye na wafa do nkola your friend say chobi bi e na wafa e na chobi oba no ono akoro oba no of fe chobi no ni breast no na owi a chobi no abie sabe na nam e na o kire se de obe chale e na owi ye no ono ankasa da ho e na odi chobi ni nan. Oh goodness!
I call the private.
No, I can't continue this.
8 years.
They trust no, mantimia.
8 years.
No.
So they all show one position camera no.
Just ultimately say, it's something they've seen being done, and they are also practicing it.
Some of them
yes, Charlie.
Yeah, say generation a year building, no future generation a year building.
This is bad. This is very dangerous.
You share your papa, but it's true. Man, no, I'm yes, I man. Slay queens na yeka yeka. What do you say? Yeah.
Kaya na yam say obi na town one na bibi. But Charlie, this is enkola omusua de o.
Enkola no they are watching. Enti yesramo ema slay queens amutie yesramo. Mo de se mo ye mo ade monya papafo bi na ja o mo se twa be kire video fa bre yen. Na se ube video amakwada ne hunu.
Nkrofo de omeku ye
amakwada ne hunu asem aba. They say
Charlie
video is grandma me my. E ade yi ne de to one mo hunu bia.
Charlie child pornography there me to my life nkra and it
is very bad. And how nkwara hunu say your position camera say yes no.
It's very sad.
I know them papa. I know them. The econo. Because
this is
and I'm phones I'm marketing.
We should be very careful. As I say yetimi monitor nkola no.
Serious.
What I say? Kola na ya mom phones no yetimi monitor nkola no na ye hu content ya what phones no so what I say. And the sites and Kolano call because obi on the ban on internet when phones be you know.
Now me baby also I frame a video call.
Yeah, they know everything.
Is it obi aye bibi kakra bia na a friend celebrity. Sanyo man basa we dano baba we on so owo ba kwimbo malafaka.
Dabi
malafaka ya man award.
Dabi e man afifiom to the enya da wo nde wo kaso ko kwa.
No, but it's about time we sit up. You glorify Sanya Mano do.
Nude model.
I didn't so say me.
Model on Saturday.
Sabe and some
a new model.
Seven, yes, be any. Now the Oman get twice.
Young fancy, Adom 106.3. The idea, but I tell you, I'll try a holiday by a baby holiday. Oh, my, Cassa, oh, my man, Cassa, some talk about, and I may say, oh, Cassa, oh, the old man, some wouldn't be a minute about our big nose of cooking. I would have Cassa, oh, the old my mouth. Me watch not to make not be this salad. I was on go. Oh, I is me as on go. Be a good salad, Caswala milk. Is the goes on go. Like Manuel Zongo, who shall easily go executive for and will be so. Minim was a glorious happy birthday and comma Auntie Effie Quason, our Kumbaya Hotel. Many happy returns and God's blessings going out to you. May you cross 90 with ease at yourself, Brebia Emamu. We love you from your grandchildren and Francesca as well. Happy birthday. Enjoy your new age. Okay. Babu, yes.
Your colleague journalist back when I work as well. We're free. Oh, your friend no. Kaswa journalist is free. Oh, I think TV, not in FM. I think. Film ya. Abemu akra branch. Okay. Ojan Karami and San Aguniri. Wow. Okuti. No do asana nickname my different Okuti. Mama Samaya. To say Kaswa journalist etika so nyina ya bonyenye. Happy birthday and comma Moro Sadia. Oh, Asaman Kese MPP. Loyal ladies. And I will come home now. And then wishing you a happy birthday and a happy Eid al-Fitr as well. With here Oseje, aka Samilu, a year front page Ghana, or say Ochapa. Now, Wana. Okay, what am I?
Pound the Tyler.
Okay. Happy birthday. So, I say happy birthday to my little brother Stephen Elder Edu of the Church of Pentecost, Community 1, English Assembly. The sky is the limit for him. May he sail through life with the mercies and favor of God. From Askia and all your siblings and your parents as well. Okay. Gaius Bedu. Neba Eddie Gaius Bedu Michael. Gaius Bedu Michael.
Say happy birthday in advance, Enkomano. Okay. Wow, Papa Gaius Bedu.
Okay.
And Gaius Ketwa, Uti, our Papa, or say happy.
So from Gaius Senior to Gaius Junior. All right. And we also say today is the birthday of Nana Akwesi Prempe and Mr. Samuel J. Mensah of Ghana Immigration Service. An officer. Oh, okay, an officer. From Mr. Oliver Asamoah. Also, Shimo, long life and good health as well. Okay. Yafa we and to Aponafi. Yenje.
The weekends have begun for some of us, but
unza baby ade iko she ede.
And now do so ko Friday.
Ko Friday pre kwan kan yepa. Na there be enya sinse dey baby esida na esida.
By the way, so mo twa wiane ayi ni ene o. Asane na ene o.
Yeah, so okay, so Naomi Ewo Tema, special greetings encore Emma. You say we a fashion designer, we fi eye Obed or Article Junction or say and she has some queen encore Emfa Emma. Na afi so we so or say please wish Sister Winifred Duncan a happy womb escape day. More grace, more money, more wins, and more prosperity. From Stephen Fusu Esiama, aka Psalm 23, and also Nenkra Watoe Edibae Enono. And we also say, where is it? Okay. Happy birthday to my junior sister, Nidine Krawe. Amma. Happy birthday to my junior sister Amma, who works at VIP parcel office. Okay, yo. What I was say. Yede besia na yakoye nim. Na fe de akabie de atwaso e de amam. Ugusuti 106.3 FM. Ghana's #1 radio station. Na the omu nyina say asda ene de my prosperous on boy e my timide Gated Sports ebro. Eno imboost herbal mixture aka police no edro no papa ya wunya bia etimi ebo yi na bibia etoto yi e de emam. Na ni nyina ne say emam immune system no ho ye ne den. Say the bear infection bia about system no a eno abe fight against it na ahoden mapa etimi atoa so atena o hwede mu na fe so kra no yare bi kra hinta wo nipadua no ba bia eno akoyi ni na afi ona bibia atoto din e de amount bibia cha kwan Kings Walkabout Echoes Pharmacy, Redama Pharmacy, Travel, Judah Pharmacy, all alternative and dependable herbal shops across the country. Health Alert Shop at St. John's and a few room where Little George Health Shop will come to 5 10 months. So I've been yes, our phrase 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496. Now, also on account the Royal Drinks, or see you go like them. We another quality product if you can support company limited, an ISO certified company. Now, Nina say your Royal Apple, Royal Orange, Royal Cola, and I feel Royal Cocktail. We know perfect flavors now. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy Royal drinks in so many flavors. Open the door phrase 0262 351 251. Now, phrase 0272 133 373. Na bibia so atimi akoye dia mam yes sir mo am say yen video mam yen video ni mam no. This is not the kind of video that you can easily share on platforms being able to say Adom FM Facebook page there be say your personal now they call they are fine, but on Adom FM Facebook page yen timi show sa video we ho honestly speaking we can't me kra me hwe no mantimi ahwe we na me sa de phone no obri esrem bebre why e pamcho e wum se dwumadi ne mo ane dia bibia ye no mo ane eche, but this one it's a no you can't do anything about it. Yeah, first dama Gold TV. Now Gold TV say encounter the final stretch of the football league and as a football season with its fierce rivalry and devastating heartbreak is finally here, and also be stay connected on Gold TV. No, I enjoy captivating moment on La Liga, Serie A, Premier League, any the academy. Na member refi say obekos original team na chipintin until the very end. This is football worth watching and you can't afford to miss it. Obetimi connect it from as low as 48 Ghana cedis while using my Go TV app. Na wetimi witness the thrilling finale of a first of its kind football season this May. Go TV, love it. You don't want to say down then when so ekrai mu ema yitimi ede Gated Sports bro. Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM patcho rent to own Abagana. Now pretty simple. Me patch the planned city extension project. Rent to own to say available Ghana and it is getting better and better and better. Rent to own no and one say asase ana ifie na chese wo no wakwa akode say rent ugusu twetwes kana na odi tuane kana na ebe kakra na ba be yodia. This is by Ningo Prampram District Assembly on a partners with support from the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development and the UN Habitat. It in Patrol, be smart. Where you live and where you trade matter. TSO Timidon Hushimbi. Ubetimia only a home or a fully serviced commercial land or space. Na Bibiania, Etimia Bayodia. We no men forget it. Memory fees so do obey join affiliate housing cooperatives no na and also etimi abo apply now etimi take advantage of the special lifeline offer. Yeah, no air lasted till the 31st of October 2021. Patrol person need Dinkoma 055 5530 300 afi 0577 91 1101 and 055 705 4635. Website newaccra.city. The planned city extension project shaping Ghana's urban future. Yada omonso asepa. A patrol goil at the higher grade fuels ABBA, tried and tested, proven and accepted over the years. Now, a most suitable for all engine types, including the latest vehicles with the most modern engines. In addition to this, superior qualities here, Goyle higher grade fuels, you are fortifying a camera power with the XP3 additive, multifunctional enhancer. Yeah, you're more efficient, eco-friendly. Now, you turn at no extra cost at the mount. Our Goyle fuel station BR Emu. Now, you want a Super XP Run 95 and a Diesel XP. They are available in every Goyle fuel station, not just selected station. So fill up with Goyle higher grade fuels. It's a Jibebia. Goyle, good energy. Goyle, yeah, dim, and you'll be a near deco. And they are saying for two enemies say club minerals and your defo. Or far to my fufu. They say a friend of Club's Paletta. With the same refreshing taste and flavors, Club Minerals is now Club's Paletta. It's about time you switch your groove with a bottle of Club's Paletta, still in your favorite orange, muscatella, tonic, and soda flavors. Club Minerals, now Club's Paletta. A new look, new feel, but the same great taste. So go ahead when you want to refresh yourself, during those delightful moments. A bottle of Club's Paletta in 4 different flavors. Club's Paletta, still your favorite Club Mineral flavors. Tiano Abamodia, Washington Sosa Edia Mine. Uguso Uti Adom 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. Na just a dip nafi yamfa de akanina entwaso MLT. Fansan kan radio no manko so ana enda haya.
Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huadeng.
Refuse to grow, and you offense Wabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready Pediamus Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia, Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarua who Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso. Any Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a home car. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy a home buying every home. And no woman pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya woman Timpose, Yaria Esiomo, Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kansi, and you may move Bia Yato in row at 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jadian Cratry.
You've been preparing for it, the final stretch of the football season. With it comes fierce rivalry,
one of the most eagerly awaited Manchester derby,
devastating heartbreak,
he didn't get the goal there,
and historic victories. But whatever comes our way, we stand for our teams until the very end. This is football worth watching. You can't afford to miss it. Get GoTV and witness the thrilling finale of a first-of-its-kind football season this May. GoTV, love it.
It's time to believe in you. We are changing, so should you. If you're dreaming, don't be afraid.
Dare to dream with Puma drinks. Puma, yeah. Believe it, you can achieve. Puma, oh yeah. Clap your hands for the whole new vibe. Make me set the place on fire. Oh yeah, come alive. Let me hear you.
Puma drinks, a whole new vibe. Another quality product from Casa Precon.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Say, Minia. Na ra ho sa eda na ha
Kwame me ne mebusia for amane hunu kasie mu me bank edi me hwamo bio sisia na waka kire me se wo ma me bosia me pedi eri yan adwuma no bank kan na so ejinsu ho a eye twa me ne bo
nka wasa wo ka we kire me dada ma me come for Societe General Ghana ma o sa bosia we wo beti no te se ma pe SG Ghana Bank nkunya na ma me ne ya etumi ahwe mo free school fees won sem asan bia ankasa adwuma kakra yi wa ye yensi kasem wo ahotoso e wa ho nyamre
no great
se bosia na ho hia dia ene SG Ghana Bank Pribia, woman si ho ja from kra esan ma me bra me de betua na ma me ho ahen me etumi poko duru abosu me adusia me nua wo fata bank ya wo betumi agye die na wo do ho atoso de be ma waso adwo wo Societe General Ghana any de ye power sitting mu amane hu nyinam de mabusia ye pa na ehun si mu so wo from kra koye nkra batedua na ye wo man yi mu bia mu oji busi kasam ho moa Societe General Ghana dachi ni ye wankasa santo aboy bebe ye wakuta won saboso me ne de to so dunsia afimpim ye no ne aduonu ba ko
Jedie wo melkom ayekese asanso ayesron kokra esanse melkom wonyama impimpim awodro wo ne shop mu te se electricals efie nyoma enkunya electronics edemo siesie nyoma eni nduane awodro bebre intino amadwedie aye enika enigisem melkom biaya dwedie nyina wo faako nanso kai se Mbrane shishaye da hon Meko Where Ghana shops
Is the latest Infinix Hot 10T coming this new month? Hurry now and buy the latest Infinix Hot 10T and get cool gifts, crossbody bags, sports bottles, marks, and many more. The Hot 10T is the latest addition to the Infinix Hot series. The Hot 10T has 6.82 HD plus big video gaming display with a massive 5000 mAh battery capacity. It also features a Helio G70 gaming CPU that makes it super fast for all your gaming pleasure. Buy now for a cool price of 788 Ghana cedis for the Infinix Hot 10T, which has 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM and 888 Ghana cedis with 4GB RAM plus 128GB ROM. Visit any accredited Infinix shop nationwide to purchase.
Infinix, the future is now.
Quality security door in a new space. Why affordably? What will be my paint depot? And the door master. Why you 5 to 10% discount? What quality security doors? And then see for contracted. When you road marking paint. What will be my paint depot? Paint to quality biara usual. Since why you paint and pay later? It's Jessica Kakra. That's a 3 months. It's Yankee. And see if you are assassin river wooden here. What will be my paint depot? I will stop and see one time. 054 2745 222. So I crack highway.
Hello, Epacho Weni.
Hello, I'm a Yabueni. Yemo Jinkwa. When you're 10,000 Ghana cedis. Ane 10,000 Ghana cedis a big boss. Nanso ansana benyesike. This money bribika krebi the whole mobile money number you swa. Mobile money pin number count. The what you really at you sikano. I simple crash.
Da wo ho so MTN ejumai form fro say tuesika anampo send the credit bia ansan wa bedi achedie bia wadie ansan obedi achedie bi no na wato ho akrade kai say won fa mobile money pin ema obia de bia da eye wasumasem se opemu no kra frɛ 100 ana bora MTN service center bia na wo mwa wo nimchiremu wobetumi so abamane ewo mmfraud.gh@mtn.com ana text call 1515
MTN, everywhere you go.
Quality security door in a new space. Why affordably? What will be my paint depot? And the door master. Why you 5 to 10% discount? What quality security doors? And then see for contracted. When you road marking paint. What will be my paint depot? Paint to quality biara usual. Since why you paint and pay later? It's Jessica Kakra. That's a 3 months. It's Yankee. And see if you are assassin river wooden here. What will be my paint depot? I will stop and see one time. 054 2745 222. So I crack highway. Put me man tobo to
Hello.
Yo, nazi say.
Taleminua, Mr. Mihia Mwasisi.
That's him.
Asembisebio.
Meet you.
Yama Musa 9 cities. Yama Kwame so 36 cities. And a Pokuan Sunya 27 cities. Now, why should I say Simia? Sika same pan at the Labina.
Chama, Shakona, wait, a long equation. Yedika from Musa.
Hulunekos were Busia and in a phone term, saying, oh, big a crowd. Small Quedica and a penabitawaka. Nasa Wakasano Suchaya. Ubedi Koma, Untiashi. Near some 50 megabytes free. Abibia Bekasa. Press star 315. Now for Ubedom. MTN free after 1. And net free say, we are good together. Everywhere you go. Kaise, in shake a crow.
Umami Yapanua of Fumigiano.
Unya Bema no de bia ojina phone so no.
Hello, I'm Rose here.
Wo fase no ochiri bibia.
Da bi o mempe, we de mitu.
Wadamfo no a, wo ni no adwuma mu a, de bia ono no mu Coca-Cola twato. Yeni na yeni mobisa, nenso omuni hɔ a na etwa ne di asesa. En Kenya bra ye kabom e di Coca-Cola eji yeni. FDAG edwade nkrato yato.
Charlie, this game is my game. Oh, watch me. I will win today. Today is my turn. Go! Even when I won the last time, the people didn't want to give me all my money at once. What is that? Oh no, my guy. With soccer bets, you never have to wait. They pay you the same day, no matter the amount. That is why I always bet with them. No installment, no hassle, no delay. With soccer bets, bet on the best odds. Win up to 1 million Ghana cedis and get your money instantly. No delay, no hassle, no installments. Take your money now. Soccer bet, your best bet for sports betting. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Bet responsibly. Gaming can be addictive, not for persons below 18 years.
Hello, Ache. Hey, one miss, Papa. Semi catcher. Me catcher see a betcha George. Giorgio, quite ya, chino, Filica dochi.
Hey, wait, you boy, a den you see.
And see, now one name Mrs. Clear.
Amma, hello, Amma, hello.
Se wopɛ stories a asresem ɔdɔ any drama wo mu dia hwɛ Bank Chronicles Roger Channel 118 if you say stories no ya dia wo Go TV so kwaji Go TV decoder tia 109 Ghana cedis nanya ekukudama drama telenovelas and sports mu connectify my Go TV app so ana accredited dealer bia ben emo and she say kakra Go TV love it.
Okay, na edi my dear na aji has say. Aden we share Diana.
Nanama, the Shemukasi has say. Nia wote no ye Cindy Rice. And on a medi yame munu anina. Cindy Rice demufwa. E yi ma.
Meet me a cashe.
Oh, what then? Cashe.
No cre. Cindy Rice idie e mo dankasa.
E ye Cindy Rice. Na ya shisheno every 1 kg. E de kopim 50 kg. Benya Cindy Rice ato. E 1 krankre bi mo e ben wo. Wo pedudu etua. Fresh 0540-101-671 and at 0540-106-294. Cindy Rice, Sham, Ned Denso.
FDA, at Jadian Kratz, Yatsum.
Adom 106.3 FM. And any Shimomwe social media platforms I would also. Facebook Adom 106.3 FM. Instagram Adom 106.3 FM. Twitter Adom 106.3 FM. Or YouTube so or Adom FM. Adom FM. Yeah, top.
No matter the culture that may change the tradition, no matter the rhythm that may change the groove, we still remain the same. Because it's the same great taste that brings the same great memories. Your favorite Club Minerals is now Club Sparletta. Yes, Club Sparletta with the same refreshing flavors. Muscatella, orange, soda, and tonic. Go on, enjoy the new Club Sparletta. Club Mineral, now Club Sparletta, is still your favorite soft drink. This advert is FDA approved.
I want to Swaswomuno. Ghana for you not that idea about Quedi. I send ye share dase. Yet Jibia Elfa Quemutum. Nanso, what I near Baku. Can't be with Chocomawa one here. What the best show what dase. Ghana a Mamre Kwanso. If we say, I'm found baby a Wobeko. A Dana Mary, Yini Nani, a panese. I want dear the shesa a daffy fayaselo. Ye benum so aswaba.
Shawudasi Ghana Mamre Kwanso. Vipia Dani Rubia. Ewan Wodia when you free Cadbury Choco. I had the Ghana Coco Papa Bina Ayenimu. FD Akisha say trading Chatwim Ajatmuse.
Adom FM 106.3, Ghana's most authentic radio station. Top.
That's right, tough and back. I've been associated here, fella to us, man. Sister Sandy B, a guy.
Check 1, 2. Hi, Jay. How you doing?
Yeah, I'm good, baby.
I forgot it's Wednesday, so we're not going to speak to you.
Excuse me, please. I told you about it to Wednesday.
Okay.
No longer Thursday because Thursday's Friday. It's
I got
6
you.
till.
Slow down for me.
You want me to scream?
No.
No, like you really want me to shout?
I got you. No,
you want me to scream?
That's okay. No,
right, cool.
There's no need to scream. You know what I'm saying? I got you.
Okay.
But
yeah, man.
it's just rather unfortunate I cannot activate the phone lines for us to talk to guys. So no, let's have a chat. You know, you and I
have a chat.
Sure. Let's have a chat.
It's a hell of a bump for me.
No. Come on, let's have a chat. I mean, no.
All the English you're supposed to travel with is with you. So all the English that you're supposed to travel with is with you.
That's not true.
So you're gonna deliver it to me?
No. It's just you and
I'm
I.
Still here
I mean, let's vibe. Let's just vibe.
Nah, bro.
I mean, let's just.
Nah, bro. I'm not feeling this because you.
Oh, come on.
I know what you're gonna do.
Oh no, I ain't gonna do anything.
We got the things you wanna say. All the English you wanna travel with.
Mm-hmm.
Canada, USA, London. Oh gosh, it's been 6 months already. By now you would have traveled around the globe.
Yeah.
So all those English they are in your bag now. And you want to drop it hot on me?
I left it home. Yeah, trust me, I left it home. So sure. So
on that note, on that note, then let me calm down.
Come on, let's do this. Yeah.
Because I just wanted to, like.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Just like that? You mean just like that?
I just want to do it on this vibe. But let me send a warning to Kwabena Jollof right here.
Oh, really?
This is a strong warning to Kwabena Jollof.
He's listening.
Kwabena Jollof had the guys to come comment under my picture.
That
if I bath, I look good. What's that? What's that? Kwabena Jollof. What's that? That's
so. I see you don't like to take a shower.
You know what I'm saying? It's so rude. I bath 3 times a day. I bath 3 times a day.
Come on, you do it twice.
No, 3 times.
Why?
No, let me tell you. When I come in the morning, like I did the shoot, I went home, take my shower, and came back.
So when I close, you mean for today or it's a daily thing?
It's a daily thing.
Oh, come on. How can you just take a shower like 3 times?
I'm telling you for fun.
Man. I mean, too much of everything is bad too.
Why? Is the skin wearing out?
Yeah.
Is it wearing out?
Sure, it is.
How's it looking?
You can see it now. Very soon you have that effect.
It's looking dope though.
Come on, you don't have to do that.
got me always, know what I'm saying?
Well, I know.
So, Kwabena Jollof, this is a strong warning to you.
Mm-hmm.
You have no right to come comment under my picture.
All right.
If you ain't got nothing to say, Kwabena Jollof,
just walk on by.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I got
you.
So, bro, I'm going to take a leave, so I'll leave the rest
Sure. But I promise you next we're going to open the phone lines and then
I knew a lot of people got a lot of fellas to ask me.
Sure.
And this so unfortunately.
Yeah.
What did I do?
It's all what?
Please, I just wanted to say I'm sorry.
Oh, my goodness. Guys, now Sister Sandy be a guy. Yeah, shouts to Vodafone. There's an energy inside us all that makes art and music, that pushes science, that overcomes obstacles, cures diseases, and overcomes prejudice. This is the energy that gives us the strength to ask important questions from humankind, the planet, our society, so we can discover what is best. When this force is combined with technology, then man and technology together can achieve anything and create a better future for all. Technology is nothing without humanity. Together with technology, we can do anything. For more info on this, kindly log on to www.vodafone.com/together we can. Vodafone, small boy, together we can.
ID into is starting. Artist of the year, TikTok Bravo, Artist of the year. On the night time, my boys to the show, but at some school they got the World Bank do. Fella. ASEM with it.
Happy birthday, Uncle Emma.
Fella.
Professor Nelson Boateng Frimpong of Top Ministries, Holland. It's your birthday today. Happy birthday to you. Prof.
We'll borrow somebody in some way.
Reverend.
Take hits. So as
Usu Ansa, Bishop.
They go to remix.
Or senior me own show. Now on your case.
Us of late. Easy the beat, but she fall for stage. Reference me just to make front page.
And then a happy birthday to my niece, Nana Ama. I say may God bless you and grant you wisdom. This one is coming in from Don Shege. Abusua yentie san kaiboy na yen hye no so. We fear GCB Bank for enchen ose chewodo promo sonko kra chese wode ebrewo. Na a free the 9th of May. Mother's Day, Ede Kwadikosi Saturday, the 29th of May. GCB, Ebe rewarded 1,000 customers each day with extra airtime on airtime purchases. Ewe star 422 hash. And the GCB mobile banking service no eso. Now, the woman said the first 1,000 customers, mobeto 50 Ghana cedis airtime. Ebe receive 40% extra airtime for free. Na eno Mother's Day na Sunday. Na fe if he 10th ede bana if Monday yibe ya de ku ya kopim 29th May no. First 1,000 customers amobeto 10 cedis airtime will also be rewarded with 20% extra airtime. Reward of 40% on Mother's Day, and I feel so, and 20% from the 10th to the 29th of May. It's just so amazing. So our offer we lasted between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. each day. Once you buy and then fall within the first 1,000 customers, you get your reward. We for Ibra. So choose GCB mobile banking for your airtime purchases and get rewarded. Terms and conditions apply. GCB, your bank for life. Abusia, on that note, let's check our time already. Yes, honestly, let's check our time. Young from Sinan friend, you may know, see a cassia boy and trust your mom. Yeah, I'm moving us someone here tonight. I'll try a holiday, but we're gonna be here. We will have a special show tomorrow. Don't you worry. We are near Dio Doka Kradia Trust one. I feel yeah, baby, you know what I'm saying. As that case, you come on, you been come Papa Bills, you been come African as always, you been come Jamestown J. Cole, now sample for J. Kwame Obade.